some of the bad habits and removing some things that hold you back. Oftentimes.
All right.
Cool.
We are back. Sorry about that, everybody.
All right.
But we'll get through it. Just got some technical issues.
Yeah.
But I forgot where you left off, Paul. You were talking about Google, I believe.
Yeah, we were talking about a little bit of Google, yes, and how the chart is basically the same as Amazon. So the fact that we are mimicking the movement of Amazon here, right at session VWAP, finding a little bit of resistance here. What I'd be doing is, with this double bottoming situation that we had in both Amazon and now Google on the intraday today, I'd be a little bit more cautious to the downside. I'd be looking for longs, but only with some sort of intraday confirmation. Maybe you see some large aggressive sellers that don't end up pushing the market down further, and we see a bounce, maybe a close of maybe a significant close above VWAP, able to then get long on a scalp upwards, maybe look for the break above 287.34, previous day's low, which was a previous resistance area in the morning. And then maybe you could look for a rotation up to 288.85, value area low of the previous day. That's kind of my relative blueprint for these. Honestly, not only these Google and Amazon, but the S&P 500 futures look, the charts for the S&P 500 futures look very similar as well. So exactly. The only difference is that my VWAPs were trading above the VWAPs in the S&P 500 futures, but relatively speaking, obviously Google and Amazon were trading like at VWAP or a little bit below VWAP. So that's the only main difference that I see on the technicals. But yeah, more so looking to the long side here to follow the trend upwards. Yeah, I don't know if you have anything else to really add. I know that this is very similar to the Amazon that we just covered and everything, but
yeah, I don't think I need to rehash much of what you said, and we can probably keep moving along here. We gotta we gotta start catching up a bit. So let me I could talk about Meta. I want to say one thing about Meta in the news that happened kind of when we were back on in the stream. Where was it? Meta announced a $1 billion data center in Wisconsin. That was back at 11:30 Eastern this morning. And Microsoft actually announced more data centers too, expanding their data center build out on their super factory site. I think it was in Texas. So, I mean, so there's, more AI good news kind of stuff on these data centers and all this, but these stocks are obviously just going by. They're just trading with the indices today. But I mean, overall, this is all pretty optimistic news for these stocks going forward.
Yeah, and maybe
but maybe Meta looks the same. I mean, look at this. Meta looks exactly. It's like it's so funny, man. 3 stocks in a row now. They're all the same. It opened up slightly within. It opened up in yesterday's range. It just popped up. It couldn't get outside of it, but it got outside of yesterday's value area high, only to fall back down, find a base, and come up and trading kind of right at session VWAP again. What do you know? I mean, it's just. And we talk about this a lot. And Paul, you know this. It seems like almost every day, a lot of these guys, they mimic, and the chart patterns look similar. It's just where they are. But the nice thing, and I will say about Meta, Meta's got a hold above this low that was made last Friday, right? And we started to, I was thinking maybe we were going to make the curve and try to get up to that gap fill from the earnings and the big disappointment with the tax bill and the 2 analyst downgrades, et cetera. And then we, Monday looked good because we had continued the upward movement from Friday's close. And then yesterday was, there was a pullback, but it did end up closing within Monday's range. And we're holding, right? We're holding above this, we'll call it like $620 a share. Okay. But now today we fell down. But if we can just stay above, I've got point of control, or just call it value area low of like maybe 60. You probably have like 606, I would think 606.30. Probably maybe your value area low is more like 603 from last Friday.
So from last Friday. Oh,
last
okay.
Friday the 7th.
Let me check it out.
Because that's where I'm looking at where support can be found. To me, it's right at point of control of last Friday, where we found support this morning on this, we kind of triple bottomed a bit, and then we're turned up, but we're just like you said with Google, with Amazon, we're trading that session VWAP. We're above point of control in the session. But again, I'd be cautious. I'd probably be looking at how the Nasdaq is trading, and because it's gonna probably trend together. So I don't know if I jump in long or short. I would just sit and wait in all of these. It's not a good day to really jump in on anything unless you've got extreme conviction or you see a setup that you look for or an edge develop. I mean, I would just sit.
Yeah. Here. Yeah. And I mean, that point of control from Friday, like the point of control that I have is 605.60 actually.
Okay. So you're down there. Okay. I'm at 6. I'm higher. I'm at the higher volume node of it, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. We're above both of them. Either case, we're above both of them, and we're above the majority of the volume from Friday. Mm-hmm. So my point is, if we can maybe stay above here and close today, maybe we'll start to build up some base. You know, maybe, but anything's possible. Who knows?
Oh no, yeah, for
sure. If tomorrow's a big sell-off day in the indices, it's probably going to sell off further to the south. So because that's how these guys go. They make up the indice with all of their weight, and they also trade like the indices do too. So,
and
what you do.
Yeah, we'll see. What comes along. Tonight with all the government shutdown stuff and how that, and we'll see tomorrow morning, or well, not even tomorrow morning.
We'll know in the overnight.
Yeah, exactly. So we shall see. Right now, Meta is having a little bit of a tougher time getting through this VWAP area.
I would agree.
And I will say, in the indices, like in the Nasdaq and in the ES, we are still we're like forming like a kind of like a bullish pennant, maybe you could say, or like a bullish triangle of sorts. But some of these larger names are starting to take a little bit of a downturn. I mean, well, Meta's actually, compared to Google, it's actually taking a little bit more of a downturn here.
It is.
Amazon is doing all right. Apple's
Google's
doing all right.
Google's turning down a little too now, and Amazon's turning. They're all trading the same way as the ES and the Nasdaq right now.
Yeah, so
just taking a little bit of a curl at the end here, but
I don't like seeing
our boy Apple's doing well.
Yeah,
Apple's doing good.
Yeah, see, Meta's just dropped literally like $1 within this last like 2 minutes.
I know. Oh wow! You're right. Look at that. Oh wow.
So it's taking a little bit more of a hit right now than the others.
Dropped like $1.50. It dropped like $1.50. Holy hell.
Yeah. So I would say the
ES sold off too. The ES and the Nasdaq both have dropped, a pretty decent amount. So it's just going with it.
Yep. Yeah. So I'd be cautious on this one. I'd allow for this kind of little bit of a downside action to just subside. See if we don't, if this ends up continuing and we come back down into like the 609 area, just be patient. I would say on this name, definitely be patient. And then on Microsoft here. You know what? Instead of going to Microsoft and NVIDIA, let's actually skip down to Tesla because it's got the same exact type of. So Microsoft and NVIDIA are
the other ones are
Than
different.
the rest.
Yes, totally different.
So
Microsoft looks great, by the way.
Yeah.
Microsoft is catching up. It'll be green in no time.
Right.
Tesla.
So Tesla's
got the same pattern. You're right.
Exactly.
Like 4 of these 7 are all the same. Wow, look at that.
And right now, session VWAP is really close to previous day's low of 432.38. So session VWAP is at 431.96. So you're starting to see a little bit of resistance, just like those other names that we talked about at VWAP. Let's see if we can't break through that. Again, I'm still looking to the upside. I'm looking to see if buyers can't really just decisively get through that area, because I don't want to short right now. Personally, I don't want to short this market with like the general indices double bottoming earlier in the morning.
I agree.
And being
I agree.
somewhat of an uptrend at this point.
I would agree. I think the worst is over, and even if we get a delayed vote in the House, let's say for today, for this afternoon that they're planning, they're still going to proceed with it, even though they're getting pressure from several of the key leaders in the House on the Democrat side. They're still going to proceed with the vote and try to pass it. So all of this is good. Plus, you've got Trump's going to talk later on, I think, or was he already? But we got a White House press conference that's been pretty good on the news front. Fed speakers have been talking. Everything's been pretty. From the Fed and from like the Treasury Secretary and things have been very optimistic and, forward looking, exciting, so I don't know, man. I don't know if I'd get short anymore.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? Charlie in the comments mentioning PayPal. Any thoughts on PayPal? You know what we'll do is right after we get through Microsoft and NVIDIA, we'll take a look. We'll definitely take a look at PayPal. Give it a little bit of a look and analysis on the intraday here. So yeah, Tesla. I mean,
I lost the chat comments. I saw Charlie, but I refreshed it, and I think when we rebooted again, it cleared everything out for me. Sorry about that, Charlie, but I'm glad Paul caught it.
Yeah,
I'm just refreshing it again, and it's.
I don't.
Real quick. Sorry.
Yeah. I'm trying to find like the live stream is.
I'm looking at the live. I got the top chat. I got nothing. I don't know. It's blank. All right, whatever. It'll build up for me, maybe.
Just want to make sure that we're live and good and everything. I'm just.
We are live and good. Live and good. Yeah, awesome. Everything's working.
Okay, I'm just having a hard time finding the video. So.
Yeah. Thanks, AJ. AJ is like.
Yeah. Thanks, AJ.
Cool. So. Let's see here. Tesla, yeah.
We went over Tesla essentially. There's just a lot of resistance here at 432.30 or so, looking for a break above and then to maybe get back into value of yesterday at 433.28 or so. That's kind of what my prerogative is, or what I'm looking for here out of Tesla for the bulls. I need to see the bulls do that to then really feel confident about a possible rotation upwards.
Very sporadic. Yeah, it's been very, very sporadic going back like the last month. It's been up all over the place. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about Tesla. I mean, today anyway, I just don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's right now, like we're seeing so much consolidation is occurring right now. Yeah, I think
at this time, yes.
Correct. Yeah, at this current time. Literally in the last, let's just say 45 minutes or so, the amount of consolidation that's occurring below the previous day's low is interesting. I think this is, again, like it's a kind of telling. You're seeing that there is some resistance here, and we are relatively comfortable underneath that 432.30 level. But part of me is thinking, okay, well, do we keep chipping away at that level? Do we keep getting back up to it?
Right.
Buyers eat a little bit more of whatever sellers are there. We come back down. We come back up to eat a little bit more. And then do we eventually break out? So that's kind of the wait and see moment for Tesla that I'm looking for here. Or we just could completely falter and then just fall off VWAP, retest lows a day. We'll see though soon enough, I'm sure. So we can go on to Microsoft now.
You know what?
What's up?
I got the chat back now that I'm live. Now that I'm live.
Nice.
Okay. It was delayed. No, are we? Let me see. Hold up. Are we live? Are we still on? Oh, I know what's going on. There's like two different. I see the different stream. Oh, that's why. It's weird. Why is it doing that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Anyway.
Yeah.
I do it. And I see Davis Darcy's asking, why is that so far back? 549. That must have been your segment way back this morning.
I'm not sure.
Are they going to bounce off of?
I
That's
I'm
weird.
not sure. Let's just go through Microsoft and
right.
NVIDIA here, and then we'll go through PayPal, and then
Yep.
we only have 15 minutes left here, so
All right. I got NVIDIA up.
Okay.
I'll just hit it real fast here.
Sure. Yeah.
What's interesting to me about it, what's interesting about NVIDIA, and I talked about this yesterday, is we had this gap from the weekend, from Friday into Monday, and we came back yesterday on a little bit of a pullback, right? So we had kind of filled half that, but we established it and we closed kind of right in range yesterday, middle of the distribution point of control here. And then today we opened up higher. We had a gap open from the close, and we kind of just poked our head above the outer edge of yesterday, only to fall back in. And this was indicative of what the indices were doing at the time. But look at this. It's held this gap. It held the value area low of yesterday all day so far. And I don't know if it's moving up at all, but we're certainly above session VWAP. I think if I build this out, we're probably above point of control in this session. I bet you. So I don't know. I mean, I'm a little bullish on NVIDIA here.
Yeah, we got to pull up your screen actually real quick. We'll pull it up. It's been on my screen. We've been
That's
on. I was on Microsoft on my screen, and it's you were talking about NVIDIA on yours.
No problem. What's going on?
All right, we're on your screen now. Cool, perfect.
Are we good on YouTube?
Yeah, we're. They're going to send us the link to be able to view it so we can look at the comments section. And
okay, that's why. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so as long as we're streaming, okay. So yeah, we kind of held this gap, right? So it's not to say it won't get filled at some point, but it's nice that we're staying above. We're within yesterday's value, right? We're within yesterday. We're just kind of right here. So despite looking like the other charts did, we just didn't get low enough. We didn't get outside of yesterday, and that's important. And we're holding above $190 again, right? So maybe we get back to this 200 before the week's over. I don't know, but it's looking pretty good. We're just ever so slightly down on the day based on where we opened, but I don't know. I feel okay about NVIDIA. And if it comes back down to maybe point of control and it holds here, or it tries to retest again the low of the day and it's not making any headway, I wouldn't be shy to get long and keep a real tight stop to the downside in case it breaks, to the down, and then try to play a move up.
Yeah.
I don't know how far up it'll go, but if it closes anywhere up, let's say it closes near high of day or the upper area of yesterday's range, that's a good, $4 to $5 move that you can capture. So
yeah, if I do like the base that it's forming around between yesterday and today, around the 192 area, essentially that 192 level. I will say for my levels, that value area low yesterday of 192.50, not too meaningful, to be quite honest. You can tell, and the reason I say that is because if you look at the price action, this is one of those weird situations where sometimes the value area levels, they just get essentially chopped through. And when I see that, I just disregard, and I usually just stay away from whatever that market situation is for myself personally. So when the market's not behaving with value area levels, I just kind of stay away. But I do from a technical analysis perspective, that 192, anywhere between 191 and 3/4 to 192 support that we're seeing between yesterday and today is pretty nice. The fact that we're not really able to break lower is nice, and it kind of looks like it's trying to find some legs to the upside. I will say I agree. Generally speaking, I'd be looking for some rotation upwards towards 194 and a third, essentially, which is value area high of yesterday. See if that level kind of comes into any sort of play as in terms of resistance on the day. If we do find some legs here, if the entire market, the S&P, the Nasdaq, and whatnot, they all start finding legs, we'll see if NVIDIA comes along with them and can find that 194 level. And
it's doing it right now. It's behaving. I mean, the ES is starting to kind of break out. of this consolidation a little bit, and we're seeing the same thing here. So
in a longer run, real quick, I would say that I would want to see for like the longer term bulls, and by longer term I mean like 1 week or so, which isn't crazy long or anything, but I'd want to see like trading above 196, like closing a day above 196 to then try and actually make a bigger run upwards above 200 or something like that. But yeah, we can go on to Microsoft now.
Microsoft got the nice, good V reversal. Look at this bad boy. Look at this.
Yeah. So Microsoft, I mean, wow. Like, yeah, talk about that. Yeah, V reversal is exactly right. We're about to be testing previous day's high, and also value area high was previous day's high on my charts for yesterday. So the indices right now are actually finally breaking out to the upside a little bit here.
Like NVIDIA, it held that gap. It held that little tiny gap at the bottom. That's where it found support. Yeah. It's funny. It didn't fill it. I mean, it was not much of a gap, but from Friday into Monday, right over the weekend, we had a gap up, and hey, it's holding. So very, very interesting.
Yeah. And I would say really at this point with Microsoft, the fact that it traded down through previous day's value and previous day's entire range, and then traded all the way up and through is pretty bullish.
I would agree.
I would not be looking to short this at this point. Maybe we can break out above previous day's high of 509.69 or so, or 66, and then come back, retest that area as support to then look to get long again. Whether that'll happen today or tomorrow or any day is a whole other situation, but we'll have to keep a close eye on it.
Yeah, I'll be quick on this my comment real quick, and we don't even have to switch over to me. But basically, I would just say yesterday was important. We talked about $250 or $200 as a key level in NVIDIA. We're talking about $500 as a key level here in Microsoft. Yesterday, the whole thing was, can we stay above it? Can we stay above it? Which we did. Today, we dipped below it just about, $1.50, only to come back into 500 into the range. It's nice, and we're trading almost up to $510 a share currently. And we're making new highs on this session as we speak. So I like all that. But let's get over to PayPal and give our friend Charlie Hopkins a little look-see.
Yeah, definitely.
We got about 8 minutes here, 7 minutes. So
PayPal. All right, PayPal. He's looking for 80 by.
He looked for 80. He said exactly. I saw
September of next year. Okay, so
that's the thing. I know.
Pretty long-term perspective, which I like. I love that, actually, to be quite honest.
I saw that too.
Seems like a diligent kind of guy.
Maybe for like the retirement account or something, 401k.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, when I'm looking at I'm just taking a look at the 4-hour real quick. And I mean, I'm not going to probably point out anything you don't know necessarily here, but I do like the fact that if I just draw this little triangle, boom, I do like a lot over the last couple years or so, this massive area of support at between $56 and $60. That's kind of nice to see. In the shorter term here, and by shorter term, I mean like literally the last 6 months or so, you are finding a little bit of a basing around the $66 level, which is pretty sweet, anywhere between $66 and $67. In terms of 80 by next year, okay, I see exactly what you're talking. So essentially, what you're looking for is
back on. Yeah,
you're looking for a move back up to this essentially previous top of previous high of, honestly, okay, so when's the last time we revisited this area?
October 28th, I think it was Tuesday, October 28th, a few weeks ago.
Yeah, so October 27th, and then you had July in July of this year, and then I was looking for earlier this year, so February, essentially in February was okay. Got it. So I just wanted to kind of see within this year how many times we've traded there. And, it seems like for earnings, every time earnings has come out with PayPal, it's gapping lower, and then it tries to recoup some of its losses throughout the quarter, essentially, that in which it then trades. I don't know what to say, man. I'm not.
When did you buy this, Charlie? He's active now in the chat here. When did you get long at 80 and you just been in a big drawdown hoping to get back up there, or did you enter and you're just trying to trade maybe the rotations here on this channel, like, you know, you're getting in low and you're looking for another 80 when it gets up there to sell, and like, you know, that, let us know what you're thinking. But I mean, this is what we're looking at, and it's hard because Paul and I are both intraday traders, so a longer term, and we don't actively trade equities on an intraday basis. We're futures. So when we're looking at it, we're just trying to do a wide, broad, you know, kind of perspective of it. But you're in around 65. Okay, good. Okay.
Oh, okay, cool. So
all right, that helps.
You basically got in, you've averaged in somewhere around this like more recent support area that we've had this year between August and November. You know, I would say he's got a long
perspective, man. He's got, you know,
so the only problem I think is it's probably when in terms of like, you know, PayPal's obviously not trending with the overall markets, right? So it's not like
right.
You know, the S&P is making like close to all-time highs and all that stuff. Nasdaq's close to all-time highs. Dow made all-time highs. So it's kind of hard to compare it to like an index or anything like that, obviously. But I will say I'm not like fundamentally well-versed on this company. So
me neither.
Kind of a disclaimer there. But from a technical perspective, I do at least like that you are long off of this support. Could we get back to the top of this like relative range that you're looking at of a high of 80? I think it's possible. I mean, it just depends on what news is coming out for the company and everything, as far as maybe be like more of a catalyst to get it to drive back up into that area. Just might need to be sitting on it for a decent bit of time. As you can see, it's a little bit of a slow mover at this point, aside from these.
He's willing to hang 9 or 10 months here. And there's a good chance, just based on the price action, like we're going back and we're talking about just the pattern here, good chance it'll get up. If it doesn't get into 80, it'll get close. But the fact that you're in at 65, you've got a nice cushion, and you're already, you know, in the profit right now. So, and like you said, whether you got in at 65, you're averaged in, that's a good spot. So,
and I will say, I guess the last point I'll say is, if for some reason this year or in the next 6 months or so, there's a breakdown below that 65 area, and you start flirting with the 60 or 55 to $60 support zone that I was kind of just drawing out over the last few years, that's probably where you need to really start doing a deeper dive and understand whether you'd want to hold on to this or you know, add to your positions, take away from it. Just start really understanding, okay, how much do I want to hold this? Like how how much in the do you want to be holding the bag per se, or how, you know? So $10 down is a decent. I don't know what your position is or anything, and just depending on what your position is, that could be a pretty harsh drawdown of sorts. So yeah, just be careful around that. Like if we were to drop between 55 and 60 or so. But yeah, so aside from that, you don't have any other comments on PayPal, right, Daryl? You're good?
No. Yeah. We could get Kermit to add his little commentary because he's in the wings. But
yeah. So yeah, aside from that,
I think that's what I have. A very good breakdown. And I think Charlie was just looking for an overall, you know, just kind of maybe a confirmation bias. And again, this is our opinion only, and we don't actively trade. Neither Paul or I actively trade this stock. And I don't, and I'm an intraday futures trader only anyway. So
right.
It's harder to give a detailed opinion, especially when we don't know the fundamentals. I mean, with PayPal, outside of Peter Thiel, that's all I know.
Yeah. And thanks, Charlie, by the way. Thanks for bringing it up in the chat for us to go over. We do appreciate it. It's fun to actually be able to talk about.
Yeah, we do this.
Stuff.
We look at other stuff. We do. Yeah, for sure. Let's see. We got
20 seconds.
We got about 20 seconds. We can't really go back through anything. Let me just look. Apple's looking good, man. Apple's still marching forward. Everything's still in the red. We're so close to getting green on Apple. We're so close to getting green on Microsoft. I mean, they're down 0.1% or so on the day. So I think as the indices maybe march up a little bit more, they'll go. So anyway, so stick around here. We are going to switch over to more futures trading with Sam and Tony and Paul and myself. So we'll be right back. And thanks for sticking around to chat, guys.
Awesome. Oh, shoot.
Keeping myself healthy.
Back.
Oh, here we are.
We are back, everyone. Welcome back.
Got to show the correct screen. My correct screen here. I'm still sharing the other one. Shoot. All right.
All right.
Yeah, I got mine.
Back in business.
Back. We're back in business.
We're back.
Back in the biz.
So as we usually have, guys, we get off the air and we didn't have to worry about range extension today, but we had a change in sentiment. Looked like the double bottom is in for both the NASI and the ES.
Indeed.
And the question is, where do we go? Do we retest the open, or we channel around here? What have we? I don't know.
The Nasdaq is slowly creeping up.
Ever so slowly.
Seriously. Huh.
I haven't checked actually gold in like the last couple hours since we got off. Looks like it's dude. All right. Well, to the upside. To the upside we go.
There you go.
Sheesh.
Yeah, the little silver trade worked out pretty good. Nice. Eked out another. Oh, I got to share my screen. Sorry.
So we had the White House press conference, and Caroline Leavitt was saying that this is interesting. This is about 20 minutes ago, Paul, and we wouldn't have been able to say it because we were on the MAG7 stuff. But October CPI and jobs data is likely never to be released. So, I don't know. If we get November numbers, are they not going to readjust? I mean, kind of interesting.
Yeah,
I think they will have a readjustment, I guess, but they're not. Maybe that she means that they're not going to be an official like October print that comes out or something.
Right. They might just kind of for November, like when the November numbers come out, it just kind of all
merge it. Yeah.
Maybe they do something like that. I don't know. This is all just a cluster.
Yeah, she was talking about the vote here in the House. She's saying hopefully the shutdown will end tonight. But like I was telling you, Paul, there's still a whole bunch of House Democrats that just fighting tooth and nail. They don't want to vote for it. They want to just be stubborn. They say we need to get all our healthcare stuff done now. They don't want to. Oh man, these guys. They're mad at the Senate Democrats for passing it. Again,
Sherry's
typical
back.
government crap. These guys.
Looks like at some point the stream crashed. We're on a new live
crashed
thing.
3 or 4
Sherry's
times.
back.
It crashed.
Oh wow!
It crashed a lot, dude. Yeah, it was bad. But we're back.
Unreal.
Wow.
It's growing
I was in
pains.
the wrong one. I was like, "What's going on?"
I know. I couldn't
commented since the last session.
We had to open up a new. Yeah, we had to open up a new one, and then it crashed again and again. Anyway,
all good. These things happen. I think it's a solar flare, isn't it? Didn't you read?
Is that it?
Yeah, there was like apparently a massive solar flare was about to hit Earth at like Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not even making this up.
Are you full of crap, dude? I can't believe. I don't.
Dead serious. I saw it.
This is Sam talking. I don't know whether you're full of crap or not, man.
I'm not joking. There was a solar flare.
Really?
Apparently it's meant to hit us on Wednesday or Thursday, and yeah, who knows, man. It's affecting my my PC already. It's affecting my brain.
But you got to put the Professor X hat on. It probably wiped out 10 satellites or something, and it just burned them all up.
I need protection, solar flare protection. So
have you seen this, Tony? Have you seen the mutant? Have you seen
Well, I've seen him with his headset. Yes.
Yeah, this
one.
What channel am I on right now? That's
helps me fight the level 5 mutants in the market.
check out the production.
That's a sweet little.
There we go, baby. Astronaut, baby.
Hell yes.
There we go.
Spaceman.
What am I looking at?
AJ had a little space guy up.
I didn't see it. Damn it.
There it is, Sam.
There it
Check
is.
it out.
Where are you seeing this? What, on the stream? Oh, there. Okay, I see it now. Yeah, I see it now.
I thought you were
That's
all
basically
seeing.
me.
I thought with that helmet on, you could see everything. I thought you could see into all realities, all dimensions.
You're controlling him.
AJ's a level 9 mutant. He's very powerful. So kind of hard to break into his brain.
I forgot about that level. I thought there was only level 5. I didn't know.
You went straight to 9, dude. He just jumped ahead.
Stroking the asphalt.
Stroking. That's an interesting one.
boy.
Oh boy. Yep. Now I know where Sam gets it from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are just like
right.
I feel like we're coiling so much right now between what's the Nasdaq looking like? The
Nasdaq
they
is going
might
to break
just be
out.
waiting. They might just be waiting for the government shutdown.
It looked like we were going to break out
maybe
15 minutes ago. But
because I don't know what session VWAP is on the Nasdaq, but I do have the overnight continuous VWAP on my other charts. And currently we're just continuously the resistance is pretty harsh on that. The VWAP is essentially 25,623 or so, and we just continuously are bouncing off that area. So maybe if we pop above that, can settle above it for a little while, maybe we'll start to get another leg up here in the indices.
We can really only hope.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure, the last hour and a half, it's just been terrible. I mean, really, since the close of the morning, kind of really tough.
Yep. Yeah. For sure.
Let's see. Well, I mean, we did two good precious metals trades. So, I mean, when in doubt, move to another market. Don't try to force it.
Yeah.
See if we can't find another, maybe.
Yeah, maybe I'll take a little. Man, cattle's about to close actually, so no cattle for me here. Dang it.
I mean, I was looking at Robert Mashiro's NG, Nat Gas, right?
Oh no,
Robert
Mechanic
Oh,
is
Robert.
the nat gas.
The other Robert. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got you there.
Yeah, we got 2 Roberts now, pretty active every day, which is cool.
Both equally as crazy, right?
And they're both IT engineer guys, which is really crazy.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Deep down, I think it's the same person. He's got split personality.
No, Robert
guys-
Machiro is about 3 hours north of me, 2.5, and then Robert Sakanik is in Durham, North Carolina. We learned.
Oh, wow.
He's a former Chi-Town guy. He was in Chicago for a bit.
Ooh, you got to get out of there.
Yeah, he went south, man. He went south. He went south not just for the winter, I guess.
Oh, look.
South for safety.
As soon as I put up that Robert, the 2 Roberts might be the same person.
Exactly.
Now all of a sudden Robert Machiro popped up in the chat. Don't you find that suspicious?
See, no, we already have a picture of Robert Machiro. We saw a nice before and after with the mustache yesterday. Remember, he
That could have been one of his victims. You don't know.
No.
Victims. Yeah.
Sam has this
Identity theft.
kidnapping.
Yeah.
He is so. Sam is just. I don't know. He's so infatuated with kidnapping Russell. Have you heard about who Russell is?
No, I have not.
I call him Frank, but
Yeah, he doesn't like the name Russell. He likes Frank. Why don't you enlighten Tony?
there's nothing to
on
say.
that,
I
on
mean,
Russell.
you know, the Russell. What is it? Russell 2000?
The Russell
Yep.
2000.
Yeah.
Small caps.
Every time NQ doesn't do what I want it to do, I threaten his little brother Russell.
With
I'll
violence.
kidnap your brother.
Exactly.
And, with violence.
Not just sexual violence. Ooh, okay.
All right. Hey, you added sexual
even
in now.
worse.
Oh God.
Worse than regular violence.
That's all Tony. Now we know what Tony would do to Russell. Come on, Tony. Even I draw the line there, man.
This
That's
is classic Sam. Then plays the oh, I would never.
Yeah, I would never
card,
say
you
that
know?
shit. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Classic.
I'm
Sam.
a good boy, man. I'm drinking my apple juice here. You know what I mean? Got that 5 a day.
Yeah.
Good,
Here we go.
nutritious stuff. Well, I'm a good boy.
Well, not to change the subject, but I was just talking about with Tony, you're saying like checking out the markets. I was like, you know what? I want to check out crude oil because I haven't looked at it in like another hour and a half or so. Dude, down to 58.40 now. It's down like essentially $2 on the day.
Wow.
In the last 4 hours or so. Man, really taking a beating here. I don't know. I didn't check if there were any inventory numbers that came out. There was OPEC stuff, but let me just double check.
I saw that
here.
too.
Why is it pronounced inventory? Surely it should be inventory.
Where Sam starts asking the questions that nobody wants to answer.
Because we're not inventing anything. We're not inventing anything. It's just,
You guys invented King's English. Come on.
Inventing numbers.
Exactly.
Oh, here we go.
Making stuff up.
There were at 12 o'clock. There was here we go. There were some inventory numbers here. I think. Geez, Louise, keep losing my. Oh no, there wasn't. Just kidding. Nope, just kidding. I don't know.
Yeah.
Robert says, I haven't really lived there, talking about Chicago, I presume, since 2008 when I moved overseas. I went back for a contract gig for about 16 months and then permanently departed in 2014.
No, he's smart. He said it turned into a mess, and he's correct. Yeah. Yep. Don't blame you.
Some articles that were coming out recently from Reuters and whatnot 2 hours ago talking about oil prices fall as oversupply concerns overshadow the U.S. government reopening. So essentially, Reuters and other outlets are probably now, some more headlines are coming out from them, and the sell-off's just continuing here. But just oversupply concerns. That's really it. That's all we got here.
Breaking news, guys. $120 billion has been erased from the crypto market in the past 3 hours.
Yep.
Ouch.
Yep. Bitcoin's down to about 101, I think it was when I just checked.
All right.
Still, yeah, dude, it was at 104,000, 105,000 earlier. It's down to 101.5 on the spot, not the futures, but this is according to CoinMarketCap. So yeah, I mean, yeah, everything's a little.
Yeah.
You know, we talked about this. Like we were like, even yesterday when we had such a, you know, we really ripped into the close, right? I mean, it was ugly for a while. We finally broke out, and then we were marching ever so higher, and we thought, hey, is this all, you know, momentum, excitement for the potential government reopening? But then we also said, I remember the three of us were talking like this could be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news deal, because when you do get the open and then you start to get all of the results of what's happened over the last 5-6 weeks, and the numbers aren't going to be that great, or we start to get more tariff information, we start to get some stuff from the Fed and other agencies, you know, labor numbers, BLS, all this stuff. It could be pretty freaking volatile, and maybe we're starting to just see some of this. I mean, we can't even officially get the government to agree to reopen. We got to get the House to vote, and that's not a guaranteed done deal for today, you know. So
yeah,
we'll see. And maybe there's some weakness into that. There's just a lot of stuff, I think, right now that's uneasy. And the market doesn't like that, right? We know that.
Sure.
The market does not like uncertainty at all.
I don't know, man. Fingers crossed. We can just move on from all this and be done with it.
They need to. Freaking stupid, man. Just,
yeah.
God. Unfortunately, though, we're kicking the can down to January 30th again, and we're going to have to deal with this whole mess unless they get everything. You know, and then they're going to be shut down for the holidays. Like most of December, they'll all be gone.
Yep.
You know, this is ridiculous, man. Like, oh no, we can't work more than 2 days in a month. Oh, let me get on a private jet, go back to my state, and just take a joke.
Government's out to lunch.
Always, man, ridiculous. So yeah, they gotta just get their act together, man.
I think that's becoming more and more evident to them as well.
Oh, they're hearing it.
No, exactly. That's exactly.
They're hearing it from their constituents, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see. What else do we got here? We do have Cisco earnings still coming up at the close. Not like it's. I mean that'll probably do something to the market, whether it's good or bad. But it's a major player, AI tech. We'll see what happens. The market's not waiting for that. I don't mean anything like it's just everyone's kind of like, you know, sitting around like it's NVIDIA, you know, and in 7 days when that comes out, that'll be crazy.
Yeah, it's going to be a big day. That'll be a big
That's
day.
going to be like it's going to be like FOMC number release. Boom.
Yeah.
It's nasty.
Huh. What do we think's in store for the cryptos here? They've had a tough time, huh?
I don't know. That's something I do not. I don't wade into that pool at all. So I have no idea.
Ooh, the Bitcoin's down. What, $5,000 today?
Yeah, $5,000 today. That's what I said. Yeah.
Or what?
Yeah.
God. It's a treasury. Dumping cryptos, I guess, or whatever their plan is. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I know.
Huh.
So whatever it is, we're the last to know. We're just
I'm sure
we're just the lowly serfs in this world.
Everybody else is just getting inside info and making trades, and we're just missing it. Because you're not in the loop.
Yeah.
You're not in the club.
Yeah, if you're not Pelosi, if you're not any of these, you know, you just it's like
Pelosi,
crazy, man.
World's best trader.
What is she up 17,000%? I saw one of those shorts that you guys had about Pelosi.
Yes. Yes. I mean, she had a lot of money coming into office, like in 1987, I guess, was when she was first elected Congress in California. And so in 87, she and her husband had like 750,000 roughly in a stock portfolio, which is a lot of money.
Million today.
Right?
Yeah.
A lot of, it's a lot of money back then.
Oh, yeah.
But now, dude, it's up to like 135 million just, and keep in mind, right? She's not building a company. She's not doing anything. This is just her buying crap well ahead of time, going into all of her meetings and closed door crap. And I mean, how is it not insider trading? It's like, and a lot of them are like this. Almost every person that gets into the government comes in with nothing, and they walk out with tens of millions of dollars of net worth.
I mean, that's the thing. All you have to do is have an understanding, right, with the SEC. That, listen, we're not going to prosecute you. Don't worry about it. Because the IRS isn't going to care. They're just giving their cut, pay capital gains. That's it.
You have
they don't care how you made it.
Do it under their name, or you do it under a different entity, and then you just you can't prove it. Like, hey,
just make.
Here's how you can do the same. Essentially, what you need to do is all the politicians who have the right information. You just need to send them gifts, a bunch of gifts. All right, but in those gifts, you bug them with little recording devices, right? And then every time, but you make it a gift that they have to have on them at all times, something really special, like a little badge or a medal or something,
Yeah.
And then and then you just listen in and be like, oh, okay, yeah, I know I have to shorten the video now. Just this deal's gonna fall through.
Yeah.
That's what you do.
Absolutely.
You're gonna bug your politicians.
Some guys, I know some guys at the hedge funds, they started looking at obviously the White House publishings with all the companies that they're meeting with, and they preemptively buy, right? I mean, technically that is public data.
Exactly.
And you're like, they're going to the White House for a reason, right? So contract negotiation, exploratory concerns, or regulatory concerns. So yeah, actually, there's one that I just came across. TMC, Tom, Mary, Charlie, the metals company. They've actually had 7 meetings with the White House in the last 6 months or 9 months, something like that. And
rare earths.
They do rare earths. Yeah. Rare earths. Yeah.
Look at these guys.
Have you heard about this, Daryl?
No, but I mean, it makes sense now. You've been thinking about.
Yeah. And allegedly, when you're looking at metals and minings and stuff like that, especially exploratory metals and minings companies, when the equity research guys are looking at them, they're looking at something called net present value, NPV, right? And like the net present value right now is like, for layman's terms, it's like a 1, okay, for where they're trading at. I think they're trading at like $5-6, okay, but rare earths. Trump might just come out and say like, hey, we're awarding this company. They've been, meeting with us a lot, and we like them. I think the board is pretty stacked with ex-government officials as well. Yes. And they were just saying, this one equity analyst that I listened to, he was saying like, if they get awarded like some government contracts that they're in the bid for, then their net present value is going to like 7x. Okay. So you go from like a 1 to a 7. It kind of does translate that way for the stock price as well. Like it's a multiplier on the stock price because the net present value has changed so much. So, that's one that you could potentially look at. TMC.
And Trump was just on that big, Southeast Asia kind of tour and locking up rare earths with Japan and Malaysia and Vietnam and all, you know what I mean? And it's like, it's not a coincidence, man, at all. It's just. And Robert Sakanic's right. He's like, when you're at the top of the criminal enterprise totem pole, who is there to keep you accountable, right? They're not going to prosecute each other now. It's just, that's the whole deal, man. That's the thing. Remember when Muammar Gaddafi was alive and Saddam Hussein,
great
these
man.
guys.
No, I'm kidding.
I know. But I mean, these guys, the amount of wealth they had, like they were technically like the richest people on earth. It really was. With all the oil they had, the gold, all the stuff. But you're stealing it. You're just basically taking it. You haven't done anything to earn it.
Yeah.
So it's
like nationalizing, but putting it into their own pockets, whatever.
It's crazy, man. It's so crazy.
That's why they say, isn't Putin's the richest guy in the world, right? Elon Musk even admitted that.
I agree. I would agree. I definitely would agree.
Yeah. I remember I had a friend a long while ago who was just like saying like, yeah, there's nobody richer than like, I think the richest it was probably like 6 years ago or so or something, like saying the richest
Ferdinand
person in the world
Marcos or someone.
Technically like 400 billion or whatever. I'm like, no, dude. Like there are plenty of people like those oil tycoons and stuff that don't have their net worth published and whatnot.
And why would you want it?
Financial Times just did a piece on, the shadow fleet of the oil markets.
Yes.
Did you read that, Daryl?
No, but I know it's about. I mean, they're always moving these cargo containers in the ocean.
And this is the thing, dude. Yeah. When I was younger and when I was when I was on the institutional desk, I mean, even still now, dream to work at Trafigura or Trafigura, Glencore,
right.
Any of those, right? Those metals and minings or the oil guys, Vital, whatever.
Right.
Because there was an ex. I think he worked at Trafigura, and Financial Times just did a piece on him, I think last week, how this guy they estimate probably banked $200 million in doing back end oil deals for the Russian government.
Unreal.
Now, would you take that? I mean, you're going to be blacklisted from ever coming back to the United States and any other EU country, but maybe not. I mean, get a private jet, Swiss bank account.
Take your 200, take your 200 million, and you'll forfeit your passport, and you
renounce your citizenship and move to Singapore.
Exactly. Go to Singapore. Exactly. You renounce and you say "F you" to my global taxation, and thank you very much.
Yes,
dude, come on.
Of course,
absolutely. Wow.
And I was just like, oh my god.
I mean, there's not a lot of problems for someone who's got 200 million can't fix.
No, but it's not even that, right? It's the people that you have now done a major solid for, and the governments that you've done a major solid for. You're untouchable at that point, right? Yeah. I mean, golden goose type person.
Yeah.
Until you're not, then you take a 22 caliber to the head. Parking lot as you're trying to get into your Rolls Royce.
I don't know if I'd want to take a 22 caliber. You gotta make sure it gets in. I mean, you need a little more velocity, I think.
Yeah.
That's
what the mob said. That's what the mob found out. It's you put it right to their cranium, pull the trigger. It doesn't exit. It
doesn't exit.
It goes through.
You got to get close.
Right? Yeah, busts around a couple of times.
And it's quiet. It's quieter, right? So it's almost like a silencer. You don't hear it too much.
Oh wow. He knows. He's done his homework. The killer.
You got to have a pillow with your.
I mean, if it's a revolver, you're going to hear it. But if it's semi-auto and it gets encapsulated in the gas chamber, you won't hear it as much.
All right, calm down, Daryl.
A lot more due diligence on this one.
Let's chill out here. Let's chill out.
Actually, that's an interesting one, Sam. The pillow.
We're talking about Chuco here.
So gold is above 4,200.
We don't care about that. We're talking about taking lives, taking names,
mob stuff now.
I wonder if Mythbusters. You guys ever used to watch that show, Mythbusters? I'm not sure if they're still running it. Man, mid 2000s, we would watch that all the time. Mythbusters.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that they must have done that, pillow and a gun. Does it actually reduce the sound?
For sure.
Yeah. I don't know. I just saw it in Casino.
Really, they did that, yeah.
Yeah, Joe Pesci is
if it's in the movie, then it's real.
Well, I don't know if it's real or not, but it seemed like an effective method in the movie. So
that sounds exactly like something Sam would say.
Well, not in that voice. That was just like a dumb American.
No, I'm saying
I saw it in the movie, so it makes it real.
I'm saying Sam would jokingly make that kind of. Well, it was in the movie, so it's got to be real.
I could totally see picture Sam saying that for sure.
Well, these were based on true stories. Every detail is true. Is spot on.
A lot of it is based, but it is some of it's elaborated, right? But yeah,
of course,
true.
True. Yeah, some of it. Yeah, some of them are for sure. They're loosely based and heavily based, I guess.
Go home and get your shine box.
Listen, if I put a 22 to my head, it wouldn't do crap because I got a metal plate under here, so we just ricochet right out.
I bet.
We just.
Oh.
Let's see.
Oh, what is this? 2 brains. Sam electrifying. Sam at first iPhone premiere. Oh God, you're gonna put me in a turtleneck, aren't you?
Oh my God, here we go.
You're gonna tell me to Steve Jobs or something.
How many times did they send it? Like 4 times over. Look at this. First iPhone premium. Oh, dude, this is gonna be funny.
There we go.
Are you gonna pull it up, or do you want me to have to do all your dirty work? Because I have the only computer that.
Holy shit! I can pull it up. I can pull it up. Oh my god, that's incredible! How did they do that? All right. How do I do this again? I gotta open it up on the.
I might be looking to take a micro Bitcoin trade.
Oh, that'd be cool, dude. Cool. Like
just to see how it moves, right? One contract.
Yeah, very rarely.
Why not?
I think I've only taken 2 micro Bitcoin trades on stream.
Is Bitcoin the only crypto that we can trade?
I believe so.
Yeah.
No, there might be an Ethereum.
Oh, an ETH.
I think there's an Ethereum.
There may be a micro ETH.
Yeah.
There may be an ETH. Yeah.
Might show me.
That would be it, though.
There is. There is.
Is there?
Yeah.
All right, let me see if I can pull this up. Share.
It's
let me know if
MET, by the way.
MT.
MET.
Okay.
MET. Yeah.
Ah, shit. What have I done? Oh, there we go. Yeah, there you go.
That is funny as hell, dude. That is great. Isn't that crazy?
I mean, I don't understand the relevance
Jobs
of
look
it.
gray hair now. Like if he was alive, they put gray hair on him. It's insane.
I don't know
Imagine
where that idea came from.
Maybe. Well, imagine if you
Bizarre.
actually had a picture of you like in real life, like with that. Like that's.
What, with Steve Jobs?
Yeah, just like imagine that kind of thing happening to you in real life, where you were.
That would be pretty cool.
It would be pretty crazy, honestly.
Dude, that is.
I mean, I look like
insane.
I've never seen a camera before. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
What is that?
First generation iPhone for sale on eBay, $18,000.
No
That's it?
way! Oh my gosh!
Is it?
Well, it's still in the box.
I got
But
some.
then
old
I see a
Blackberries
bunch of
actually,
other
though.
ones. 8 gigabyte, $42. Another one, $30. Another one, $89. You cracked, busted up.
It's like the
There's more,
Beanie
though.
Babies, one
Wow.
for sale for 10,000.
Yeah. All right. I
Let
guess
me
they're
get
not
the other image up.
Oh, what are we doing here? We think we're selling off a little bit.
Look.
Got a lot of liquidity on the bid down here.
That's a
Yeah,
pretty cool
62.
image. That's pretty
yet.
cool. I mean, that's pretty awesome, right?
Ooh, that was
Let me
good
see
too.
here.
Nikola Tesla, of course.
Oh,
I mean,
that's
I don't get the where that came from.
I don't understand what the face
Nice.
is. Every single time, you're just like
he's got the. I know.
I don't know. I mean, it's AI.
It's
man.
like one of those chipmunks that did
I guess
Disneyland,
this
the
works.
Chippendale or whatever.
I don't
That
know,
is
it's
cool
AI.
though, man. Look at that. Like, imagine that laboratory. Look at all that, dude. That's cool.
oh, I'm
And then
short
there's one
gold
more.
again. God.
All right.
Dude, yeah, it looks like it's rolling over a
Last
little bit.
one.
Well, this could be a support
Same with
level.
the E.
Blow through it. Come
Oh, look
on.
at that. Me with Einstein.
Oh,
This thing.
Einstein?
No,
There you go, Sammy.
Daryl, that's
No, I hadn't blown
JFK.
it up yet. It's only this small on my other screen, and I have to pop it open. Hey,
Who do you
Sam
think
knows
it is, Daryl?
maths. Sam knows math. Sam's like, it's a brilliant, beautiful mind.
E equals MC squared. What is that equation? Does anyone actually know what it is? I do, but I'm not.
Ooh. Energy equals mass times
Oh,
son of a bitch. I can't.
Speed of something.
I have no
Yeah.
idea.
Can't remember
it
what
is.
the C
Yeah,
is.
energy equals
Accelerate.
mass.
No, acceleration. No?
Mass times
Gravity, maybe.
C.
Gravity.
What
I
is
think
C?
it's no, not gravity.
Oh, no,
Oh my
gravity's
God,
in
something.
is it now?
Speed of the object.
Speed. That's
Speed
it.
of light.
Speed.
Speed of light.
Yeah, speed of
Oh, the
light.
speed of
that is
light.
it.
Maybe that. I don't know.
Yeah, let me check.
That's a good one. It's a good question.
Yeah,
That's something
energy
we should-
equals mass times the speed of light. There we go.
Nice. I should have known that. Honestly, should know that. even if you aren't like a physics person, I feel like that's been said so many times. Probably should know that. But
this is the equation to figure out how long Sam stays in a trade.
I know the equation.
The speed of light times how fast his finger can click the button.
Hey, I've been holding
That's why he's there.
Recently.
Yeah.
I'm not the 1 minute man anymore.
That's good.
Not
That's
anymore.
great.
I'm now the 5 minute man.
There you go.
I've upgraded.
Just as bad.
Don't flatter yourself.
I'm proud to tell you I'm now a 5 minute man.
Yeah, gained a bit of trading stamina.
That is a 5x increase. That's awesome.
Exactly. You too can have a 5x increase if you buy my pills.
Buy my supplements.
Oh, no.
Sweet Sammy's succulent supplements. Quad S. X
God.
S to the 4th power.
What is going on here? What's going on?
Sweet
Absolutely.
Sammy. Oh my God. Horrible.
Oh shit. It is horrible. Absolutely horrible.
What do you guys think? I think the trading community is actually, I was talking to a guy that's a prop
the high
trader.
E. We got the high E. Thanks, Robert.
What is that?
High E?
Yes.
Sam, tell him about the high E.
Oh,
high E
high estrogen.
High estrogen.
High E, low T. That's what
Low
I am.
T? Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Especially when you put the wig on.
He says he's very proud to have high E. I'm like, okay.
You have supplements for that? The testosterone
Exactly.
blockers? Yeah.
I take supplements for, exactly, high E.
Yep.
That's it. High E, low T. That's
Sam is
right there.
so high T that he needs to take testosterone blockers, inhibitors.
Exactly. Tony gets it.
He'd just be raging all day.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
my Lord.
Tony gets it.
Absolutely.
Oh, my
God. Oh, man. So I was talking to this guy that does like prop stuff, and he's trying to be an influencer. It's like 2 weeks ago. And he was looking for opportunities, like, hey, jump onto a prop firm, partner with them, get affiliate stuff, affiliate money, stuff like that. I'm like, yeah. But I feel though that the trading space is growing enough, right? That over the past year, 2 years, you've suddenly had people that never even thought they'd be doing trading and listening to markets that are now doing prop, right? And paying attention. So what do you guys think? You think we should start rolling out some products? Like, I think that there's enough prop traders in the following that we either need a clothing brand or a supplement or a drink, a pill that makes you more cognitively aware.
No.
Right?
Training pill.
The merch.
Why not?
Maybe
the merch.
I think the merch.
Everyone does
maybe,
merch, though.
like
merch is boring. Everyone's got merch.
Maybe the
Do they on the trading side, the prop trading side?
Not on the trading side, but merch is just like when you're bored and you don't know what to offer, then you just offer merch. Like we need to come out with.
We got to do it.
I like the supplements.
Dude.
A pill that makes you
brain force.
What is it called? Nootropics. Nootropics.
Yeah.
No.
And then we'll get what's his name? Bradley Cooper as our celebrity sponsor, and he can play the role
stuff
in Limitless. Exactly.
Wild.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Why not? How many of you would buy? Come on. How many of you guys in the chat would buy one of our
questionable
supplements? Yeah, questionable pharmaceuticals.
So insane.
They're not going to be laced with Fent, we promise. Come on.
You don't think?
I would absolutely buy it.
You'd buy the Fent pills?
Not the Fent, no.
I'd
buy the
no, Fent. You know Fent. You're out there in California.
Nootropics.
Unfortunately. I don't personally know it, but
my micro Bitcoin order just got
Daryl
filled.
knows Fent.
Great.
No, I don't.
Daryl is Fent.
MTC?
No.
MTB. MBT. Ooh. Oh, $18. That's nothing. How many dollars is that? It's a $15 move. So you make $1 per dollar.
Tick.
Yeah, per tick, whatever. Yeah.
So was it Tony? Was this influencer guy? He wanted to make a merchant. He wanted to make a fashion line or something.
No, yeah, he was just like, we're doing like an exploratory call on like, a prop space and the next opportunities, the next legs, right? Everybody's selling accounts, everybody's doing prop. So like, you got these followings, you got to monetize it. What was I looking at before? Gold. Yeah. So, I don't know. Come on. How many guys in the chat would buy a supplement from Hola Prime? Hola Prime Brain Force.
Dude, just wild, dude.
Brain Force?
Maybe like I like a hat or something, but I don't
No,
know.
nobody wants a hat.
Come on. No
buy a hat at Walmart.
I actually want a new hat. I want the hat that you got, Tony. That's what I want. I want the blue one.
Oh, the blue
one? I was
one?
wearing it the other day. It's not by me.
Of one condition. You have to take the nootropics Brain Force.
Yeah, exactly. That would be the one condition that that you have.
You might grow a third ear, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh goodness.
These guys.
See, Robert says very meh with on the merch. Reeks of desperation. Exactly. Merch is just a bit meh.
All right, then we'll do subs. We'll do subs.
Supplements is the one, man. Maybe
I wouldn't do any of it if I had to choose that. I wouldn't even do it. I wouldn't do any of that stuff. Like
maybe we just do it all. We'll open up like a whole pharmacy. You can get the supplements, pregnancy tests, all that stuff. All the Prime branded.
Oh my god.
Funny.
All right, are we breaking down here?
Yeah.
Ooh, NQ. All right. Let's see.
Really starting to
Into the queue.
Do.
Into the queue. It's dirty.
Check that 200.
Lots of sellers randomly came in. Could they be trapped? That is the question.
Yeah, we'll see here.
Big
Times
question.
it's 2:32 Eastern. All right, not bad.
Yeah, the ES is doing the same. Looking a little weak. There's someone that keeps popping up liquidity on the bid and pulling. It's on there for like 5 seconds and it's gone. It was just there at 68, 60-ish. I don't know if you're seeing that, Paul, but maybe there's an indication it wants to drag it down here.
Yeah.
Just
yeah, it could be.
Some algo playing around, in and out, in and out. They've done it 3 times now.
Algos.
Yes.
These damn algos. Always messing about.
You could sell an Hola Prime app that changes your gender, Sam, if you want to do that. You could brand it.
That's a great idea.
You know,
we should ask the chat, what would they actually buy? What product?
Supplements.
Tony's really stuck on this
anti-hiccup pills for starters. Anti-hiccup pills for starters.
That's all the fiber I'm eating. All the healthy eating.
Oh, yeah. Sure. I know.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Some Hola Prime blue light glasses to help protect your eyes from the screens that you're constantly looking at.
Not bad. Not bad.
That is not bad. That is not bad, actually.
That's actually not a terrible idea. But again, that kind of falls under the merch.
Hola Prime toilet paper. So when you blow an account or you crap yourself, you just, Hola Prime toilet paper.
That's from when you crap yourself on the biggest payout you've ever gotten in your life.
It could have either way. Yeah, exactly. Or diaper.
That's
diaper. You just sit there and not have to. You don't want to leave the screen. Yeah,
this goes back to your casino thing that you're talking.
That's
about.
That's right. Literally, I know guys that do that crap. That's ridiculous.
That's wild.
Or at least I don't know. They told me they've done that. I'm like, really? Like, yeah.
No way.
I'm like, you guys are crazy.
That's extreme, man. That's so extreme. No, I mean, I've never How bad must your life be if that's what you think?
I know. I know.
I couldn't imagine. I couldn't even imagine.
It is horrible.
Shocking.
Come on, break it down. Break it down.
I don't know if you want to share Daryl's screen. Daryl, you're in trade yet, or?
I'm not in a trade. No, I'm just I'm contemplating.
It's contemplating. What is he contemplating?
The time
Aurelius.
kind of where we came down to where point of control was prior in the ES, like literally. So, and then there's see the bidders came in down here again. Now they're at 62.50, the same amount. So I don't know. Look, now wants to push it. So
Aurelius.
That's why I didn't get short yet.
Yeah, unfortunately,
the
kind of odd, an odd area to be entering any position. There's just so much consolidation occurring. I feel like in the Nasdaq, and the ES.
What is Sam laughing?
What are you laughing at?
Back end sending some
oh
next
my
level
god!
pictures. I don't even know what the half of this is. It's like me with a crow in the middle of a field. I don't know what's going like. You have to explain it. Like, what are you prompting to get these pictures? I mean, all right, me is like Iron Man or Magneto or something. Oh, Magneto, yeah, Magneto. Ugh. Good stuff,
Yeah. Mr. Sakanic, nat gas. I was just taking a little peek at the chart again. It really found some nice support at the $4.47 area, which is what I had marked off the value area low from the previous session. Found some sweet support there, double bottom on the day, coming right back up to point of control of yesterday. That was a good opportunity. I just completely was not paying attention, to be quite honest, to nat gas all day. Looked at it once, and then the opportunity to get long was during our MAG7 session, so wouldn't have even really been able to participate.
It's coming back up the VWAP here in the ES too. Dang. All right. Maybe we did find support there.
Magnificent 7.
The Magnifi.
Got 7 rounds in the mag. That's the language you guys understand.
Oh, okay, right.
The streets.
I thought I would speak American.
Yeah.
There's no 7. There's no 7-hole cylinder, dude. It's a 6 or 5.
Well, there you go. There you go. See, American. You would know that, wouldn't you?
Yes, what a dummy. So dumb.
Americans love to slip in a bit of gun talk in anything that they do.
Gun talk.
You know, this is a high caliber meal I'm eating, or just anything. You know, just
the 44 Magnum Special. What we got today? Oh yeah, perfect.
I was eating this chicken and high caliber rice meal.
Caliber.
That makes no sense.
It makes sense in America.
No.
So, Paul, what do you think the ES is going to do? Is it going to recoil on this trade much, or do you think we're going to pop to the next level?
Good one.
Stop! Oh my god!
This guy can't.
Punny.
Too funny. For a second, I thought you were gonna try it. You were like gonna be serious, and then as soon as you said pop,
I mean, it could. It is recoiling in a way. I mean, you can use these words do apply. It just.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I can kind of see a chamber pattern happening here. It's
What's the over/under on the trade? Is over/under barrel, side by side, over/under, shotguns.
I feel like NQ's just hosted itself here.
Sam, is the NQ in your sights today?
God.
Yeah, but
we're not. This ain't
it's
gonna
not
stop.
laser focus. It's very kind of client sights right now.
Yeah. So like you got the fixed sights versus the optics.
Yeah.
The optics don't look great on the. Okay. I'm with you. I think the trajectory for the rest of the ES today is to the downside. A little bit of a fall off. The impact that is going to make may have some shrapnel, at the end of the day with the market on close, but pretty heavy recoil off the start. I mean, investors got bruised hard.
Yeah, I'm feeling.
You literally sound so American.
Yeah, a little bit of a
legitimate stuff there.
A little bit of a bird shot action, kind of scattered market.
All right. If this continues, I'm literally going to blow my brains out. How about that? All right.
That's the best one yet. That is the best one yet.
I want to short gold. I wanted to do it before, but I don't know.
Oh, man. That was funny, though.
The markets are really moving like slugs today, aren't they?
Exactly.
All right, we're done.
Nothing that good.
This market, man. This market. It's like at one point, it looks like it was quite full, but now
I know
this area here at this point is very hollow. It's like a hollow point here, and I just,
no more.
Working. All right, that's lost.
We got to move on.
All right.
Yeah, James, I feel like I don't blame you. Nat gas, continuing the bullish train. I mean, or for the foreseeable future. The charts, look super nice, and I understand the fundamentals that you're talking about in terms of like just fundamentally speaking, the demand being there and whatnot. I don't blame you for thinking that. I think things look pretty good for nat gas for at least the time being. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to look to trade. Like nat gas, I don't trade like the mini contract. If anything, I've traded the micro a couple times over the past couple weeks, but look to be getting into some micro nat gas trades a little bit more often, like maybe once every few days at least. Try and participate a little bit more.
Damn, it came that outer edge. Came right to the outer edge.
I think there's usually an opportunity to get in like early morning hours.
Yeah.
Like in or around that open as well. What is it, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., something like that?
So 9 a.m. would be the open, the regular trading hour open, yeah.
Gotcha.
Same as crude.
Natty gas. Gasolina.
Dude, when that song came out, I think I was probably like 10 years old or something.
What song is he singing? It sounds familiar. What is it?
It's an old.
It's all in Spanish, so I couldn't tell you what the hell they're saying. They're just saying something about gas. Yeah.
Dame my gasolina. Give me my gasoline.
That's probably what they're saying. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I know that song now. I do remember it.
It was like when Fast and Furious came out. Everyone was like, "Oh,
it came out
Japanese cars and gasolina."
21 years ago. Jeez, dude.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
I'm glad you're having fun. The biggest move of the day, Robert says, is usually between 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
If you keep an eye on it, this is a daily phenom. Cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's great.
See, this is the thing. This is This is, he tends to focus on one thing or several, but if you keep an eye on things, you'll notice patterns, you'll notice edges develop.
Yeah.
Working on your female voice. I love
That's
it.
it. I need to practice it.
That's his other voice that we saw.
Hi, I'm Samantha Saleh.
Yeah, that one. Exactly.
That's the one.
That picture, the other picture of him, that's when he does that voice. So,
hey, man, if I look like that, I can have a man's voice and people will still be like, yeah, I don't care.
If he looks like that, he never leaves the house. He doesn't leave the house anyway, but
Only to jog. We know this.
Yes, we do. Yes. Oh, by the way, did you get your food delivered? Did you get it? What'd you eat? Pizza?
Yeah, I had pizza.
Hamburguesa?
Yeah.
Do you have a hamburguesa?
Yeah.
No pizza. Okay, pizza.
I had pizza. Yeah. Domino's.
Nice.
Domino.
some of
Looks
those
like the market's falling like dominoes today.
sugar cinnamon twist things. You get any of those? Those puppies?
No, I didn't. I didn't, sadly. But I don't think they even have them here. Sugar cinnamon twist things. That sounds good.
I don't know.
You mean
Oh, they're
churros?
Healthy.
Essentially, they're terrible
like
for
that,
you,
I
but
guess.
it tastes great. Terrible for you. Nothing
Well,
that's
yeah, I mean-
fresh and local. That's for sure. That's
No, that's probably why I never bought them.
Well, it is local. He did get the Domino's. It's a local, but it's not fresh. It's not healthy.
Subway I can eat, you see, because that's always fresh.
Oh, I got. Where's the Sammy's Pizza picture in the Maserati? Where is that?
That's long. Robert
I
says,
have- I
"Where's
have
your ding dong lover?"
Oh my God!
Oh,
Samalama ding dong. Yeah,
where's
Samalama.
yeah.
Samalong, longy dong, ding dong, ding ding dong. I don't know, man. Oh, that is so funny. That's true. Where is that one?
I might look to on the ES if we can get back above 68.74 half. Maybe I'll.
Well,
Yeah.
right at VWAP on the session. We're right, literally, it's right on top of it right now.
Yeah.
And point of control's above us, and I'm a little conflicted here. It keeps every time I think it's going up, it has this pullback. So I don't know, man. But it's a bad spot for me to get in around VWAP or point of control.
Yeah, I gotta see it break up above first before getting into anything.
Robert Mashira says, "I'm convinced I work with NPCs." Tell us why, Robert. Tell us why. What happened? It sounds like a good story.
Because Robert always has to say
No,
to his fellow coworkers, "Did you
Roberto.
turn it off and then turn it back on again? Is there any chance you turned it off and then you turned it back on?"
right.
Try that.
Right.
That does fix everything, to be fair.
Because we're living in a simulation.
That's it. Yes, I've said this for ages. This is all a simulation. It's not real.
Says all the time. All the time.
When Sam looks in the mirror, he sees the female version of himself. He goes, "Oh,
I just see
Hello
green
there.
numbers, like digits. I am the one.
Let's see. Still trying to do something in gold. It's just chopping around, killing me.
Yeah.
I mean, there's probably nothing to do, right? It's past 2:30.
that's
Well, sometimes, it can move sometimes after it's regular trading hours. But just as hit or miss.
I'll look at silver again. Let's see. Same thing.
Yeah.
Silver,
goes,
53.
Also, this lady was like, I think my phone got stolen at a hotel they were doing a meet at. And if I can track it. So I said, it doesn't appear to be working. Says Ashbourne VA. I don't get it. How can you track someone's phone if you don't have she responds with, "What's that mean?" Maybe I'm an NPC because I don't understand.
Yeah, you're not programmed to know.
Like at Virginia, Ashburn, Virginia.
Yeah,
Right.
Like
Ashburn,
a location.
Virginia.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But
okay.
So I don't even know what the hell you guys talk. I don't even know what an NPC is. Is that like some slang or something?
Non-playable character.
Yeah.
Just means
What is
like
that? Like
someone
a
who's...
gaming thing? A gaming? Like
yeah, I mean, it's like
it's like if you're in a game, right? And there's just like a static character that's just sitting there, and if you were to click on them, they have like one line that they say to you to tell you something, and every single time you click on them, they just say the same thing because they're not meant to do anything else. So people will call other people in real life NPCs that are just like not doing anything.
But they don't.
Yeah, exactly.
I never heard. Okay,
You just get in the way.
Yeah.
Learned something new again today. Cool.
There you go, Daryl.
Cool. Let's see here. All right.
What does that mean? We're in California. Oh, okay. I'm with you now. Right. I forget you're in California.
Right.
So I said, unless you're in Virginia, the tracking isn't working.
Yeah.
So if you ever hear the youngins, Daryl, say
the youngins
NPC, or like, oh man, that person's an NPC. Now you know. Now you know what's going on.
You know.
I know they say boomer, which is like, I'm like, boomer. I'm not a baby boomer. But they say anyone seems like anyone over 40 is like a boomer now. It's like, okay.
You basically are a boomer.
I probably am. I mean, I am. I guess.
I mean,
in their eyes.
Me and Paulie G are millennials, the best ones. Tony, you'd be like Generation Z or something. You're the TikTok generation.
I think Tony Gen Alpha. I think he's like, you're like
Alpha.
What, 14? Just kidding.
What generation am I? Yeah.
He doesn't mean you were born in 2014.
No.
Born in 2014.
Okay, so the year I was born, it's right on the cusp of millennial and Gen Z.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So people born in this transition period are sometimes referred to as zillennials.
Well,
transitioning.
You're in a transition because Sam transitioned from a man to a woman.
I knew that was coming.
You knew that was coming, dude.
As soon as I heard transition, I was like, "Here we go."
Yeah. Well, you said it, dude. I couldn't. Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
You know, the transmission on my car is starting to be a bit sticky, Daryl.
Yeah. What's this 6.7? Oh, Tom Rogers. I mean, I know my daughter does this crap. Oh, you know what's so funny?
We do not need that.
Paul.
What is 6.7? What is this stuff?
It means nothing. It means nothing.
These kids go crazy. So we drove by. This is like a month ago. I picked her up from school, and we were at this intersection. There's a 76 gas station, right? Union 76, and she's like 6.7. I'm like, oh, what? And she's like 6.7. I'm like, what are you talking about 6.7? And she points to the gas station sign, and I'm like, that's a 76 station. She goes, I know, but backwards it's 6.7. I'm like, what the hell is this crap? And
what does it mean?
It's just like, I don't know. They
all say it. Anything. I don't think it means anything.
It's gonna mean something.
They all freaking say it, dude.
Is this yeah,
it does. It means no. It means something. It means something. It's
2 facts 3. I ain't gonna read your comment out loud, but good to know. Good to know that they weren't born without those regions. Fun fact: other generations also have that as well. And there's like a new update. Maybe I think Daryl's generation, they were small and efficient, but didn't prioritize size. They just prioritized efficiency.
Is that why? Why the 6.7 from Lightning McQueen they just put up there? Is that? I don't think that's.
No, there's a rap song that mentions it. Like his height is 6'7" or something like that, and then kids just took it and. Like
they do this thing. They do like this juggle. They go like 6'7", 6'7",
right.
or whatever.
Right.
So I don't know what the hell that crap is.
But I don't know.
They need more imagination. I mean, that's just weak. That's weak.
It is weak sauce, man. I'm with you. Wajid.
What happened to the good old days, you know?
Me neither, but kids are now 6'7". They just say it. I know.
We used to do
Does your
prank
daughter,
calls.
Tom, does your daughter say it too? She's young, but does she say it too at that age? Like that, all these kids are saying that crap? Crazy, man. 6'7".
I think so.
I guess.
What about Skibbity Toilet or whatever this is? What like, please enlighten me. What the is
Nobody
Skibbity
says
Toilet?
that.
Do you know what I mean?
What the hell
That's
is
a
that? I've
thing.
never heard
I'm
of that.
telling you. I am
I've
telling
never
you.
heard
It's
that
some.
before.
It's some weird face popping out of the
Good
toilet.
job,
and
Tom.
It's like it makes it's like an acid trip. You watch it and you're like, whoever made this was high on acid at the time.
Crazy.
But it's all for kids. I don't get it. It's completely insane.
Yeah.
Oh, Skibbity's old Gen Z slang. Old Gen Z, really? Skibbity Riz, bruh. That's the one. The Rizzler, bruh.
Skibbity Riz. What the hell? Tom, how the hell do you know? How do you know this stuff, man?
Tom, it's kind of question.
He's very
I'm a bit suspicious.
well informed. People you hang out with, right?
Well, when you got I'm sure when you got a kid that's just exposed to it all and just saying it everything all the time in the house,
That's true. That's true. He picks
know.
it up.
Yeah.
He's got to know. Skibbity Riz, bro.
All right, we're almost at 5 minutes power hour.
This is a skibbity trade. Skibbity market. It's got a bit of Riz, this market.
No, it doesn't. It's got none. It's got zero.
What the hell's Riz?
Riz.
What's Riz?
Like charisma.
I think
Riz is getting phased out. Come on. It's all about the motion.
No cap, man. No cap.
You ain't got no motion.
Stop capping,
What the
man.
hell? What's cap mean? Cap. I mean, cap to me is like.
I think it's like lying.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
It means it's like checking the facts on that. Like you're lying, bro. You're joking. Cap. They just yell it
Who comes
out.
up with it? Who comes
Somebody's-
up with all these little things?
From the hood, man.
No idea.
No,
Chi-town.
cap.
It means
Yeah,
you're a
I
cap.
know.
Georgia. Yeah. You can make up your own word, Daryl. We'll try to spread it around.
I can make up an old one.
Anything about BTC? Two facts. Well, we did have Tony in a trade earlier on the micro Bitcoin, but I have no idea how that's going.
Yeah, that didn't.
Tom
I mean, I
stuff.
made $7 on it. That was great. That was well worth it, right?
Hey, you dipped your toe, man. You know, you tried
I
it.
mean, it's looking good for a long. You want to break out 101,750? Maybe I'll look to get long. Micro Bitcoin 101,750, my level. Can I set an alert? Yeah, I can. 101,750. No, wait, no, I can't. Okay, never mind. I'm in gold right now, losing $220.
Kind of want to get
man.
long the ES, Daryl, but
You
I
do?
want to see a break above. I just want to see a break above 68.75. Really, and then look to
All
possibly
right.
get long.
All right.
Stop capping,
All
Paul.
right.
Yeah, no cap us.
No cap.
Don't cap me, Paul.
You know who my favorite person on this stream is? 2Facts3. He goes, why does it sound like Daryl streaming from an old age home?
Why is it sound or why does it look?
Great.
You got like a nurse in the
I had
background there?
No, it's
I had
because
someone-
of your lack of knowledge of the slang. I think is what.
Because I'm old as shit, dude. I'm old as hell. That's why. And I don't really care. I'm not a gamer. I don't. I have a life. I don't. Being on the screens all day is bad enough.
Boo.
I gotta get away. I gotta get away.
I gotta get out of here.
Daryl's a bit delirious.
I am. I'm Derelius.
He wears adult nappies.
I definitely do nappies.
That's why you never see him drink
Wow.
coffee. If Daryl has a coffee on stream, he will literally shit himself because he's that old.
Oh, God. Great.
So he's always going to run away for a coffee.
Perfect.
Glad I didn't
Actually,
get long, mate. glad I didn't get long in the ES because that's exactly what the ES
know.
just did. What Sam said, it just
yes, it did. It just took a dump.
took
Took a big old. Yeah, it did. Holy hell. Speaking of dump, I got to do a liquidity dump here in a minute.
Okay.
Copy.
We have a supply depends here. Yeah, I know.
Let us know if you need assistance making it there.
No.
Do you have one of those little panic button
I'll
things,
shuffle.
Daryl, that you can click and then like some nurse comes over and lifts you up off the floor?
Absolutely.
I've been around the dinner table
I've fallen and I can't
evening.
get up. I have it hanging right here, and I just click it.
Good old life alert.
Life alert! Life alert! I've fallen and I can't get up.
I knew I remembered you from something. One of those commercials.
There you go. That's right. That's right.
You looked familiar.
You know, I remember
Every evening at dinner.
Sam's ex-girlfriend was in a commercial too. You guys have all seen it. That little old lady that looks up at the counter and goes, "Where's the beef?"
Oh, God. That one is old as hell. Come on, man. Don't date yourself.
That is old as hell. But the "where's the beef" is funny.
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Did you get the job at the hospital, Robert? Is that why you're talking about walkers and depends now and stuff? Let us know. Let us know. Is my triple net challenge? Yes, but it's not a triple net. I know what you're talking about. I don't know. I don't know what he's talking about.
Tony, I might get short with you on gold here in a minute.
Yeah, I've been short. Jump on in.
Think
Water's fine. I'm going to short 2 more contracts if it craps lower.
Yeah.
Overright.
It's pretty decent.
Oh, Tiger's back. Backstreet's back. All right.
Tiger.
All right.
They're
Tiger,
great.
you missed out on a lot, man. You missed out on a lot of tears and laughter. Laughter and tears.
Yeah. That was a good
Oh,
one.
boy.
Daryl had a little
You
accident.
work for a home health company and your office is in the DME building? What's DME? The DME building?
Daryl
You know what that
Mobility.
is. You know what that is, Daryl. Don't lie.
Oh, I don't. What is that mean?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm like, am I missing out on something? How the hell do you know what it is? You mean a DMV building? I don't know what he's talking about.
Why would it be a
Department of, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what it
Department
know,
of
Robert.
Medical Emergency? I don't know.
but there's no such. I have no idea. Durable medical equipment.
Close enough. I got the middle letter right. Medical.
I don't know the acronyms here, but okay, that's cool. That's cool. The hospital lady did message me and said she had a family emergency this week and she's working through it right now. Okay. All right. Are we gonna drop out here? We're gonna fall down. I don't know. Ooh, maybe we are. Maybe the ES. I don't know. This could be a little. Exhaust move here, and then we go back up.
I mean, not like that. The patterns truly matter or anything, but I kind of like the look of that little head and shoulders on the gold, which is why I was like, hey, you know what? Maybe we can break through that 4,200 area pretty decisively, and then start tanking a bit in the after hours.
It's got to make the knees and toes now. It's got the head and shoulders.
Yep, got to make
knees and toes is starting to form, so we're almost there.
Knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and
Tony, go ahead and smack him. Put out your left hand. It just looks like you could reach out and hit him on the ninja screen. It does just wow.
On stream, Daryl, all you have to do is punch upwards.
I go.
It's a different tiles.
It's all
for
a
me.
different arrangement. Oh, okay. Because I got Paul in the upper right. Tony's down below me.
No, I can touch. Paul. Hang on.
Oh, see, I'm where Paul is on you. I guess that's funny.
Touch his
Ooh,
beard.
that's a little creepy right there. What do you do with your fingers there, Tony?
It looks like Tony's reaching up into my
Take a sniff.
my ass right now.
I love it. Oh my god. All good.
Sam likes the little tickle. You know, he's all about that tactile arrangement. Sam's favorite when he starts going to the proctologist, it's just his favorite day of the year.
Daryl, you're the only one of age where you have actually had a camera shoved up your ass. So,
many times.
To be honest,
I'm going to go again here soon. Actually.
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm going again. I love it.
It's not an amusement park, Daryl. I mean, it's generally
fall. You kind of have a nice little nap.
Daryl volunteers.
I had it done way back in my early 30s because I told you I told you guys I'm celiac, right? I'm gluten intolerant, but I had a lot of problems, and then they didn't know what was going on, and then they did like 3 colonoscopies, and they're like, I would go in, and they're like, "You're like pretty young to be coming in here. Do you have colon cancer?" Like, God, I fucking hope not.
Did you have a bald head at that point?
Yeah, I did. Oh yeah, I did. So I looked at. I fit right in. I was ready to go.
Yeah.
And like, yeah, we need to have you come back and like do another one. And I'm like, yes, I love this. Beautiful. Could I book another one?
I love it. Yeah, that's great.
It's actually not that bad, to be honest with you. Seriously,
yeah, no, they put you under, right?
Barely. You don't even. It's not like a full. You kind of are awake for a bit, and it's crazy. You see it on the camera, like you see it going through, and you're like, "Whoa, that's crazy." And then you kind of just nod off, and you wake up. Sometimes you don't feel anything, dude. It's done. It's done. It's like 20 minutes, you're done. You wake up and you're gone.
I mean,
pretty easy.
Daryl sued
the shampoo that I use, 2 facts, 23 facts in the middle. I use what kind of shampoo do I use? I use dry shampoo, I guess you call it.
Dry shampoo.
I do whatever makes. I try to put some.
You use borax?
I use borax. Borax is good for an exfoliator. You know,
yeah.
Get a little bit on there and take out a jug.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's drop. Kick it over here, baby pop, and let all the fly skimmies feel the beat.
Come on, just go down.
Downside target of 4160.
4160, really?
4160.
Oh, that's in the Head and Shoulders thing.
No. I'm
on
just.
The Nasdaq?
I'm I'm gold.
Dude, Nasdaq would be ridiculous. 2541.
I'm joking, in the sense of like when I was looking at the chart of the last like couple, or honestly last like 24 hours. I was like, okay, so there was some pretty decent resistance at 4150, and then we popped up above that. So I'll just put my target at 4160 and see what happens. I'm not actually gonna wait for that. I'm gonna just see how much this can drop, if it's gonna continue to drop. And
sure,
I think it's turning around here, to be honest. I think that
looking at gold.
All right, facts. Facts. Oh, right. You got to guess my age. Facts. If you can guess my age, then Sam will send you a gift. He'll send you some supplements.
Hey, Tony loves the supplements.
There we go. Prefer the injectables.
Yeah.
Left cheek, please. Only.
Yeah. Literally.
Oh God! All right. Look at this move down.
All right. Well, whatever.
Dude, look at that. The amount of
69. That's Sam's favorite
out
number.
In profit.
Sam, you put your number up there, man. That's beautiful.
I know.
Wow. Almost. You're close.
Yeah, I think the buyers see what we're trying to do here. So
almost the year I was born, but you're close.
Yeah,
in the green.
We're gonna get out for break even here in a minute.
Were you in that gold trade?
Boom, 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 boom.
Yep. Me and Tony were in the same trade essentially.
What's the
I'm out of that.
What the hell, Novel Dex? What is that, Tiger? Novel Dex. Is that like some like aftershave kind of thing or something? I don't know what he's talking about. Fill me in, Tiger. Fill me in.
Yeah, look at that. They're totally squashing that, Paul.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they see what was trying to happen. They're like, no way. Gold is staying up here.
And you're gonna like it.
Yep, literally. Yeah, we had that good bull flag earlier in the morning. That was a great trade.
Yeah.
Saved the account there. That was good.
Twas good.
Guys, make sure you get out there and like, subscribe to Hola Prime TV. Seriously. Especially like this video, like this stream. Okay. See how many we can't get right now. We got 4 likes.
Gonna like it. Is that it?
Well, because we had the whole hiccup with the stream,
yeah.
so now we
had
got to
to make
start
another one.
over.
Oh, yeah.
And so it would be very appreciated if everybody could re-like and help us out a bit here.
I do wonder what liking actually does on YouTube.
It's all about the algorithm.
I don't know if the algorithm even cares about it anymore.
It might not. I don't know.
I mean, still click it just in case.
All right. Since I'm old as shit, I have to go dump out the catheter, boys. I'll be back.
All right.
Gotcha.
All right. Bring those nappies.
If you're not back in 5 minutes, we'll call the fire department.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take my button. I'm gonna take my life alert. I got a little bracelet and I got a little neck thing, so I can just fall in.
Don't fall in.
But my bathroom, I had all the little handles, like the handicap rails and all that to help me out. Well
That's good.
Well,
good to know.
Yeah. He installed them just in case there's an earthquake. So hang on.
Did you see the Pirates of the Caribbean picture, Sam? That was created.
I did.
For you, by the way?
Yeah, I did.
It's freaking funny, man.
That's same.
Freaking funny.
The amount of stuff.
Pumping out the AI.
Back end, create a.
Okay. Tiger's telling me here. Yeah, that's Noble Dex is okay. Well, we could have talked about like Winstrol or freaking, any kind of testosterone, any kind of steroid. Like, don't forget the Noble Dex. Interesting, Tiger. You know a lot about this.
Back end. Create an image of Daryl falling on
That's
the floor
funny,
as an
dude.
old man.
Really?
Daryl getting hip replacement surgery. Create that in AI.
And trading through it.
Sam getting breast augmentation surgery. That's a better one.
It's fine. We actually have a live shot of that. Actually, no need for the AI.
Oh God! Oh God!
Notice how Daryl hasn't actually gone to the toilet yet because he is wearing nappies. He is the toilet.
Yeah. I'm just. Wait. Hang on.
There you go.
Done.
Okay, I'm good. I'm back.
All right.
You almost fell asleep there.
I did. I just
Multitasking, getting some rest, and liquidate.
That is funny.
Oh man.
I'm gonna keep my eye on gold here and see if can't get into another trade, but
Yeah, I don't know.
we'll see.
Yeah.
Not gonna get my hopes up, but we'll see.
Come on.
Let's take a look at the NQ still. Yeah, it's looking weak. It's really just waiting for something to happen. Anything to happen.
Anything, yeah.
And it is kind of, I don't know, feels like either nothing's going to happen or we're going to get like some sort of Trump tweet maybe. There's always risk of that, right?
Yeah, there is.
I haven't had a headline come across the deck in literally an hour. So,
oh boy,
it's
yeah, it's not good.
Super quiet on the news side.
That's what Sam was doing earlier. I haven't gone because I'm waiting for confirmation. Yeah, they got it.
Confirmation of what?
I gotta tell.
Tell who? What are you talking about? Just get up and go.
See, I don't do that.
What is this? Like
you
primary school, nursery site? We have to. Excuse me. Can I please go to the toilet?
Can I go, please? Yeah. Oh man, it's always you always want to just See, I got a nice little thumbs up, so I'm ready to roll. All right, I'll be right back. If I don't come back in like 25 minutes, call ambulance.
Fire department's aware.
Oh God!
Ah, damn, Sama Lama Ding a Dong or whatever is back. What is this account, man?
Weird.
I wish I had the foresight to create something like that and mess with you, but dude.
Robert says my lover's back. Yep, clearly.
Lover's back.
I'm that narcissistic. I look in the mirror and I'm not gonna finish that sentence.
Yeah. You love yourself.
Smart.
No. God. Let's see.
Yeah, that wick in gold that you got out closer to the bottom of, Tony, is proving to be quite a bit of a support indicator. I feel like it's really showing like the buyers are really trying to step up right now. I just saw a bunch of aggressive market orders to the buy side here to try and get above 42.05 or 42.06, but man, just got slammed back down. I don't know, we might just range until 4 p.m. Eastern here with the equities. Gold might just continue to range just like the equities are in a way.
Yeah, I know. It's really tough, but buyers didn't want it to happen. They have their way, whatever.
Yeah.
We got our little piece. So that's all we were looking for.
If only soybeans traded well at this hour.
And I do think that like everything's kind of muted right now, right? Because the government shutdown stuff is going on. And I think that they're kind of waiting to take the training wheels off. Maybe if that goes through tonight.
I think you're right.
So probably a lot of people are just waiting on the sidelines. So in a lot of different markets. But hey, tomorrow's Thursday. Anything on the economic calendar for tomorrow?
I will double check, but from what I see, essentially a little bit of oil inventory stuff, and then really just a bunch of Fed members speaking again. So not really.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Which is probably a good thing. I mean, nothing more to derail what we're trying to do here in the market.
Right.
Those are the worst times.
Yeah. I feel like when you have a lot of data coming out and then you also have a situation like a really impactful situation, for example, like with the government shutdown, like if there was a bunch of data coming out and then you also had the government shutdown thing happening, it would be all like kind of mixed. Like it'd be harder to discern what participants are taking into account more so for one thing or the other or what have you.
Yeah.
So, being able to see this government shutdown thing resolve without any other, I know the other data isn't coming out because of the government shutdown. I'm just saying if you were to hold them separately, the fact that the government shutdown is occurring and nothing else big is happening, we can kind of see once it's resolved what kind of sentiment there will be after the fact in these markets. So it'll be clearer. Let's put it that way.
Hopefully.
All right.
Yeah, right. Hopefully, yeah. And then, as soon as the shutdown is done with, and then there's going to be 4 headlines about something completely different, and then everything's in chaos and there's no clarity.
God. Let me see here.
Holy shit.
What's
Just
up?
saw something on NQ. 742 contracts were just bought, executed right at the top of that candle. Switch over to my screen real quick. Is my screen sharing? Oh, shit.
Sure, yeah.
1 minute. All these pictures have stopped sharing my screen.
You can share the photos.
Right here, we just had 742 contracts bought. I might trade against these guys if they're not pushing the market up. I'm gonna go potentially 2 contracts in here. Let's see what happens. Maybe not. Let's see, can they push it up? Nah, they're kind of struggling. I'm just going to bet against them. Even though no sellers have come in, I'm betting against those buyers because they've just made themselves super vulnerable trading that amount of size right to the top there. That's interesting. I mean, it's not anywhere where I would expect such size to come in.
Yeah.
But it literally just triggered insane amount of size. So I'm going to bet against them because they're going to be most likely abused in the market and squeezed out. So
I love how
what the market does. It abuses you. So
like you do with Russell. So
exactly, abuse them. But that's the highest amount of contracts I've seen in quite a while. Definitely today, I haven't seen 701 price level. That's a huge amount.
Tom Rogers is Tom Rogers is not happy about that. He got stopped out of his trade. 752. So sorry, Tom.
It's a tough one.
I got around 7 short, stopped out. Someone needs to punch those 700 square in the nose. I mean, it depends. Look, I mean, it's obviously a big player because of the amount, but see what happens. If they start pushing it higher, they're still very much in the market. They haven't been squeezed out yet. But if they're able to actually be quite effective, like it's looking like they might get a bit more effective now, unfortunately, then obviously I'll have to get out. But generally speaking, if it's one individual, I'm betting against them if they're putting that much size on.
I'll be right back, everybody.
Yep.
No worries.
See how he did that? How rude. He just bailed. Gotta wait.
You gotta wait.
You gotta be polite and ask permission. I was gone quickly, but I contemplated doing both a liquidity and a data dump.
Okay.
So.
We didn't know what was gonna happen. That's a tough one. That's a tough way to live. Uncertain.
You never know what's going to hit you. It's like, okay.
Oh God.
So Sam, are you off tomorrow? I think you are, right? You're gone.
Oh, is he?
No. Tomorrow I'm here. Friday I'm off.
Oh, Friday you're off. Oh yeah, Friday you're off.
Yeah.
Is this your trip that you're taking?
Yeah.
Yes,
gonna
indeed.
go pet the camels.
There we go.
Gonna go pet the camels.
Oh, yeah.
The 1 hump or 2 humps. I don't know.
Many.
If you don't have 2 humps, you better run.
My lovely lady lumps.
Oh God! Check it out.
Dun, 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 dun.
The funniest thing is he's smiling, that grin on his face, like. Oh my goodness!
Those buyers are struggling a bit. They put a lot on.
They are.
Sellers are starting to come in now. Oh, but they got absorbed. They're defending their area. That white box is where they've all entered. They're defending for their life right now. They probably got very nervous when it dipped down a bit. But if we can push down harder, those buyers are going to get the hell out the market, and they're just going to flood out, and we're going to have a nice move down. Come on, Let's get some sell pressure coming in. Come on, sellers. Let's rush those buyers.
Yep.
If not, I'm going to have to kidnap La Russell and beat him to a pulp.
Go through that whole
Threaten a bit.
rigmarole.
All right, let's see what's
Russell's been
happening
through
here.
this so many times.
Russell, poor Russell. I know.
I don't even know if it feels any pain anymore.
It's time to pull out the big guns, guys. I'm locking myself in. I'm connecting to the market. There's a mutant in the play. I can feel him. He's trying to cramp my style here, but this mutant's not going to know what hits him. Let's connect in. There we go.
There we go.
All right. I can
Make
feel
something
it now.
happen.
Yeah. Damn this mutant. Woo!
Oh, this mutant.
All right, let's push this market down. Oh, he's a powerful mutant. He must be on steroids or something. But it's okay.
Tony?
It does have a Tony-esque about him. Yeah. I think this mutant's from Boston. The Boston mutant. He drank the tap water or something and turned into a mutant.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, that'll do it probably.
It's the tap water.
It is.
Come on now.
True.
Let's push down.
I think it's true at every big city, any city probably.
Oh, dude, here in Central, yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
The tap water here is so not good. It is just bad.
Really?
I mean, you do one of those like chlorination things, or like where it shows how hard or soft the water is, and it's like from white to red. Red being the hardest
hardest water.
It's it's more red than the top of the red stick thing. Like,
oh really?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Nah, these buys are good. They held their position quite well. I thought I could bet against them, but they held quite well. They defended it nicely. This mutant was too powerful for me today. It is what
Hunting
it is.
for stops. That's what they're doing.
It is what it is. Powerful mutant. Oh, this thing freaking hurts, man. It's some torture machine.
All right. Point of control came down in the ES. Is it? Or wait.
Oh, here we go. Another one. Sam Cruise file. What is this?
Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise, but Sam Cruise?
Downloading it. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. I don't get it because I'm like jumping out of a hot air balloon. I don't know why. Is it meant to be Tom Cruise?
Hot air balloon. You should replace it with a plane there.
Well, yeah.
Let's see.
It doesn't really make any sense because somehow I'm higher than the hot air balloon I jumped out of. So somehow I managed to float up. But interesting.
Are you going to share it? Or did you already?
Yeah.
You always wait for with bated breath to have Sam
always got you on the edge of your
share
seat.
his photo. Yeah.
Facts. You want crypto? What do you want? What do you want in crypto? You want crypto analysis? It's not really our forte, but I suppose we can look at the Bitcoin, micro Bitcoin like we did. But let us know what you're looking at. You feel sad for $350. Don't know what that means. You lost $350.
There it is.
You feel sad.
We can switch to mine. I can see it.
Boom. Oh, dude. Boom is right. Look at that. Booyah.
Physics don't quite make sense, but it's fine.
Yeah. I get what you mean.
What in the hell?
Just jumped out of the air balloon and immediately, I mean,
what up? It went sideways. You went to the left.
I guess technically you could have jumped out of the air balloon and then the air balloon completely pulled away. It's like fire, just went fire, and then just started dropping like a rock. So then it caught up with you.
Yeah. Well, maybe I'm so heavy. That doesn't make sense. But yeah, you're right.
No, I'm just kidding. That's not possible.
If you jump straight out and you were strong enough, maybe you'd be there.
Maybe.
Maybe
that's another balloon. Maybe you jumped out of a balloon higher up. That's just
That's
the one on
true.
the way down.
That's true. Maybe I'm pointing to the balloon I jumped. That still doesn't make sense because I'm still higher.
This is kind of like that markets thinking the markets go left kind of thing. It's just not possible.
Yeah, that's what I was
we
saying.
can't
Like,
make it work.
Markets go left, man. Markets do go left. I've seen it happen before.
He's had the market leave him behind. Yes, for sure.
Markets go left.
Jeez. All right. Where are we at? 82.
Switch back to someone else now.
83.5, 82.5.
Okay, cool.
Nasdaq
I
might be coming back here.
Yeah, you think so? You think it's going to close at open? You think it's going to go back to the open?
Oof.
That's
no idea.
That's a lot to ask in a half hour. But I mean, we've seen crazier things.
If there's a Trump headline, then
that's what I was just about to say. Unless Trump has his way or something.
Yeah, I wouldn't honestly. I wouldn't be surprised, at least for the NQ now, that we're going to keep going up just because of that volume that came.
I mean, if we get some news about like the House vote or something like that, right? But
we're finally above 68.75. We popped through the VWAP that I was looking at, so maybe I will
we're
get
above VWAP. We're above point of control, but the thing is now, are we coming like? Is that just is that like an exhaust move to the upside?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
All right, I'm going for a liquidity dump. We can also switch to closing bell, I believe. Just hit the top.
Oh yeah, we can
do that.
Absolutely.
And I will be off to a liquidity dumpage.
Sam is on the ball.
You guys.
Crazy.
I will take credit for the liquidity dump. I coined that phrase.
You did.
But Sam, like
Sam, pip squeak and all this other shit.
I got long the ES, by the way. So
okay, that's actually probably a good long. It's probably a good long.
See if we can't just immediately scream upwards here to 68.80. That's what I'm looking for.
That's where former point of control was, or point of control was up there like at 79.25, I think. Sam, little pipsqueak, man.
Immediately moving to break even now.
Yep. Careful.
Don't want to lose what I've already got in the last 30 minutes. So here we go.
There you go. There you go.
Go.
Come on, she wants to go.
Let's get right there.
Let's climb.
A lot of buyers. A lot of buyers.
A lot of buyers is right. Now, where's the outer edge? The outer edge is like at 82. And that's also where we came up when we had that top. We came up like 83.5 and rejected. So
all right. I'm out. I didn't like how that was starting.
Strangled it into profit.
Yeah, it's good.
Or into the green.
A few points there, so take it. A little scalp to the upside. Not the worst.
I'll try to do a little, get me over $2,000 here. There we go.
Nice. Look at that, dude. I just need to give it another 30 seconds.
See, guys, that's all you got to do. You just got to do what the market does.
Exactly. Easier said than done.
Many green trades.
That's right. That's right.
Much easier.
Just do what the market does. That's a great one.
Just do.
The other one that we used to use on the desk when it's like, like somebody calls us up screaming, I can't see a headline. What's a headline? Like, this is up, this is down, whatever.
Yeah. Right.
Do you know what the answer is, Daryl?
No, but I mean, I can just imagine what they're
when there's no buyer or seller. I mean, sorry, when there's no headline for like why it's
no
moving.
News.
You just say
catalyst.
If it's going up, right? Like, why is it up so much? So you have more buyers than sellers.
Yeah, that's the obvious answer. That's right.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. I know. Sam does that all the time. Sam's like that. He said that this morning. He's like, Just sellers. There's only sellers in this market. There's only sellers. I'm like, no, dude.
Yeah, no.
In order for this price to move, you got to have a buyer on the other side of that thing, man. I know what he means.
Yeah.
There's a higher, but it's like,
it's an old
just say there's no
jackhole.
sellers. You can't just say there's only sellers in the market.
Institutional thing.
It takes both, dude.
Yeah.
Two facts mentioning you should be president, Daryl. Don't blame him.
Why?
I don't
want to be president. I do not want to be president, man.
Yeah, it sounds like the worst job, to be quite honest. Yeah,
terrible. I would not want to do anything in the public eye like that, or in politics or any of that crap.
Yeah, too much.
I should be the president. The fruit of patience is sweet. Aggressive sellers. Sammy says, "What the hell? What's Sammy? Sammy's on the toilet doing this now. Look at him. He's on his phone." Doing a liquidity and a data dump. He's doing both.
Full depth of market.
Full depth of market. Exactly. Doing full depth of market.
Liquidity flush. Yeah.
Sam.
All right. Well, we were able to at least get some sort of trade on there in the last hour here. That's reassuring.
Heck yes.
All right, where are we at? MOC, KUI, MOC, Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah, Daryl. By the way, I mean,
I came back from all that damage earlier.
That was I mean, great comeback, man. Jeez Louise, dude. Look at you.
But I had to go equally heavy with the 4 lots to get back.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we were on MAG7, I was in the up move the whole time with a take profit, and it took me out. I was like, oh my God,
nice,
saved my ass. I was up 155,000 in this account when we started this morning, Tony. I was like, oh, it was down like $3,400. I'm like, oh, this is not good.
Yeah,
this is not good.
All you need is that one that saves you.
I was like, I got to stop. And I got out before we got off. And then I was like, but I knew it was going to move at some point. I had too much size on. It was just, if I had traded 1 loss, I would have been okay. But it tripled the losses. Ridiculous.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of how it was for me. All day this morning. It's like $300 loss, $400 loss, stopped out. It's like,
I was watching you, and I was like, I didn't want to jump in, and then I kind of thought it was a good point to get in.
Yeah.
I was like, dude. And then I was just now.
Yeah.
All right, what's going down here?
What is going on?
Sam, you sending messages from your phone?
Yeah, man.
Sending nice little messages from your phone.
I was talking about aggressive sellers, Daryl.
Yeah, I know.
There's aggressive and passive participants in the market.
Oh, so you're listening to me the whole time. You're just sitting on the John. Okay.
I listen to the stream.
Of course. He started doing that. He makes sure that wherever he goes, he doesn't go more than 30 feet away from his computer, so his Bluetooth doesn't kick him off. Oh, I hear them talking smack about me again. This is it. That damn cat. Was that cat in the bathroom waiting for you to scare you again?
Sadly, no. I don't
think Tony heard this story. I don't know if Tony heard this.
Yeah. You got cats now on top. Oh, you bought a cat for the mouse or something?
No, I heard some noise in the bathroom, and I went up and opened it. There was nothing there, and I was like, okay, I closed the window, and the next thing I know, this black cat just flies at me out of nowhere. I'm like, fuck it.
It climbed into his house through the little bathroom window.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
Wow.
Attacked by a cat.
Unbelievable.
I know.
Wow.
These things happen, man.
It was
a rough area
for Halloween. Yeah.
Rough area.
Bad omen for the day. It was a black cat too, right? You said it was a black cat or black and white.
It was
something.
Yep.
It had like a bit of white patch on its face, but Pretty much a black cat, yeah.
But what did you end up? How did it get out? Did it jump through the window, or did you have to open the front door?
It like jumped to the window ledge, and then it was like staring at me because I closed the window, so it was probably shitting itself as well, thinking,
yeah.
Right, rabies, ready to get Sam with scratcher.
Yeah, I kind of just like leant over. I was like, all right, I'm gonna open the window, and I opened it, and it just darted out. It's like,
good, thank God.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys got a lot of stray cats running around?
I mean, not really. I mean,
yeah.
But people here have cats, and they just let them do whatever, and they just run around the neighborhood.
You get a stray cat in my neighborhood, coyotes got it the first night. It's done.
Yep.
It's done. It won't last.
Yeah.
Coyote or a mountain lion will get it, or something will get it. Gone.
Isn't that cannibalism if a mountain lion gets a cat?
I guess so, but they attack. You know,
hey man,
all animals attack.
Just like birds, Like Tony was actually right earlier. I've seen a hawk in real time just demolish a cardinal while I was like on a golf course. It just got it and like took it to the sidewalk. Like grabbed it and just slammed into the sidewalk and then flew off with it. I was like, what the
hell is going
right
on?
in front of me. I was like, oh my God, that is insane, dude. Holy.
I was telling you, I think I told you and Sam, you know how you hear those crows outside sometimes? They get so vicious here. They attack the hawks. I see them like you'll hear like a hawk like screeching, and you look up and there's like 4 or 5 crows. They're like fighting it in the midair, like they're because the hawk got some food or got a lizard or mouse or something, and they're trying to take it from the things that they're like, it's like 400 feet up in the air. And I'm like, oh my God, they're like attacking. Crazy.
All I imagined there was crows attacking Ethan Hawke. I don't know why. Just him walking out of a burger joint.
Your brain is on a totally
too many words.
Brain is fried.
God.
Him with his little baby fluff bum chin mustache thing he has.
I think that's
what?
He has like the weakest facial hair of any man.
Ethan Hawke? Yeah, probably true.
Especially in like Training Day, it just looked like
yeah.
I'm like, shave that shit off, man.
Just like watch something of his, you just point at the screen, shave that, shave it now.
I left a bad review just because of his face. Great film, great film, but I couldn't put it in the top 10 because of his facial hair.
Always got to dock him.
Wild. Sam's I'm telling you, he's obsessed with facial hair. Sam.
It's an important thing, man.
Sam.
Facial hair is very important.
Let's see here.
Check the image in the chat. Okay, let's have a look.
Oh
Daryl. The image says Daryl on it.
Oh, boy.
Here we go. Boy. What have they done? What could it be? Come on. There we go.
I love the question. Do you trust them?
What the hell?
Someone shared something with you. Do you trust them?
Yeah.
I think so.
Daryl is the president. Look at that.
Holy hell. That is wow. I look super tall. My torso is like ridiculous. What did they do? They got 2 L's on my name. You can't spell my name you can spell it that way, but that's the wrong way. That's funny.
You remember Jerry Springer? Remember he had that security guard, Steve something, and then that guy had his own show as well.
Yeah. The bald guy.
Yeah, that's how you look like.
Okay.
Steve Wozniak or something.
Steve Wozniak.
Steve Wozniak.
Founder
no, that's the Apple.
That's a crazy.
Wait a minute.
Steve Wozniak.
Crazy comparison.
Wait a minute, Jerry Springer.
You look like that guy, Daryl. You look like that guy from
Jerry
the Goonies.
Steve Wilkos.
There we go.
Steve Wilkos.
Almost.
Look at this. Let's get this up for the camera.
What's the Sam Sparrow? What's the Sam Sparrow one? Let me download that.
Here we go. Look at this. You tell me that's not Daryl right there. Look at that.
That guy looks like he's been in the tanning salon a little too much.
Yeah, a little bit. A couple extra pounds.
He's Polish as well, Daryl, like you.
Okay, cool.
Look at that, see? Same genetics right there.
There you go.
Oh, Sam.
What's now? I was close. His name's Steve Wilkos.
I think his name is Sloth, you know. That guy Sloth from the Goonies. I think, is that who it is? That's what he looks like, yeah. I know Daryl
Tom remembers. Steve Wilkos, yeah.
That's so funny. Oh my God, that's so funny. Still Steve Wilkos. Jerry. That's right, Tiger. Jerry. All right, Robert Machado. See you, buddy.
Did Jerry Springer die? I think he died, right?
He did.
Yeah.
Recently, yeah. He was
That guy
like former mayor of Cleveland, I think, or something. Former mayor of, and then he went to that show, and that was.
He was a mayor.
He was a mayor of a U.S. city.
Oh.
That's kind of crazy. I didn't know that, actually. Wow.
Oh yeah.
All I remember is that he
Mayor of Cincinnati. Mayor of Cincinnati. That's what it was. Not Cleveland, Cincinnati.
Close enough.
Yeah.
All I remember is that he purchased some services from a female using a credit card once.
That's the only thing you remember. After everything's done, you die. That's the only thing people will remember.
You have some scandal or something? I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Using a credit card. Can you imagine whipping out an Amex card?
Yeah.
I preferred Maury too. Maury Povich was great. What about Donahue?
Gentlemen.
Remember Donahue, Tom? Donahue was hilarious, but he didn't have the antics. You were fighting with Mr. Dow, Cherry. Oh, how's the Dow doing, guys, right now? Is it
It's just
all-time highs?
It's just been in a relatively large range for this entire afternoon. I mean, it's kind of I can pull it up real quick, but hard to describe because it had such a momentous morning, like first hour, and then it's now been down and up and down and up. So.
Yeah.
Tom Rogers says he prefers Maury. You are not the father. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, none of your American shows can top one that we had in the UK called Jeremy Kyle. Right now, this was the lowest level of scum you will ever see. Like, I am telling you, some of the shit on that program was so bad, and it was real. It wasn't made up. These were real people as well. And the show closed down. It was like ridiculous.
People had no teeth in their head.
Oh, literally. There was this one episode where, get this, right? There were two guys, and they didn't know if they were half brothers or not, but they were in a gay relationship, and they did a DNA test, and it turned out they were half brothers, and it was just like, what the hell? Like,
whoa,
unbelievable!
But it was
way.
It was next level degeneracy on that program, and it closed down. They shut it down because one of the contestants, ended himself. We'll say it that way.
Kidding.
Yeah, and it closed down.
Wow.
But the joke is the host, Jeremy Kyle, that guy was the biggest degenerate of them all. Like, the guy was a gambling addict, he was a sex addict, he visited hookers, he was a complete and then he sat there on his high horse talking down to everyone. It was just hold on a second.
Wait a second.
That's how it is, man. I know. Oh my lord.
But yeah, if you can find any episodes of that show, that's going to blow your mind. That stuff, man. That was some addictive TV because it was just.
It's got to be on VHS somewhere.
Yeah, no, I mean it wasn't even that long, but they scrubbed it from the internet and everything. Like they're just trying to delete its history, but it was on for like a decade every day.
Oh yeah, tabloid talk show on ITV. Is that the one?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Oh my god.
2 minutes till
anyone from the UK in the chat will know Jeremy.
The Jeremy Kyle show. Look at this guy. Oh my god, I'm looking at some screenshots. These people came out of the woodwork, dude. What the hell? Oh, you're right. You are right.
I feel so bad.
Dude. These freaking people. God. All right, MOC coming up. All right.
Yep.
All right, let's see what we got.
Seriously. Should be a big one. Let's go.
I don't know. It's been fairly muted the last several ones, but
so I didn't even realize, I didn't see this. You probably mentioned it earlier, Daryl, but 7 p.m. is like the tentative U.S. House vote on the stopgap.
I did not see it.
So it's like, yeah, it's a tentative timing for it. And then also at 7 p.m. is the Trump private dinner event. I have no idea what that's about. I don't.
He's hosting some. Who's he hosting? Someone's. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I do see Trump private dinner event on here, and I do see U.S. House vote on stop. Yeah, they're both the same time, but that's tentative. Yeah, you're right. Huh. All right. Let's see. 20 seconds to party time. Party time.
Right. Bye.
All right, Kramer.
Bye.
Come on.
All right, MOC. 2, 1.
Big buyers.
Woo.
Big buyers.
Here we
Let's
go.
see if it holds.
1.3 billion to the upside on the S&P.
Wow, that is a big number.
1.2 billion to the upside on Nasdaq.
Wow, that's a really big number.
Nice.
I'm a little surprised after the morning we had.
Yeah.
Huh.
A lot of people buying Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Tesla.
Cisco earnings coming out too.
A lot of selling
Cisco
of
earnings
Visa and Royal Caribbean, Abivi.
Really?
Interesting.
There you go.
Oh, Daryl's in a trade. Shoot.
I waited till after though.
That's right.
I waited till a little bit of the exhaust move. Yeah. Let's see. Where's our open today? 68.92.
See, I would want to short it here. I don't know why.
Not with Cisco coming out
But
now.
I know with MOC and all that, I never trade this time. This time it's just filth to trade.
I mean, technically in the S&P, you'd be on the outer edge right now of the
I would be.
So shorting it would make sense, Sam. From that perspective, I could see.
But we don't have much time in our favor. That's the only thing that's different. And and I'm just sitting now. Look, and I was just watching it, and then the fact that when Paul was talking about all the big tech names. And knowing that Cisco's going to report here at the close, I'm like, okay.
There we go. It's going.
Get back my 3,400 that I lost. If I can get all the way up, it'll be close.
I'm going to go short quickly.
All right.
I see.
You do you, bad boy.
Yeah.
Get me to 3K and I'm happy.
There's a lot of buy volume there. I'd be careful.
550 or so to do.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about, Sammy. You do yourself, big boy. You do whatever makes you happy.
Oh. I got the P&L to be a bit risky. Why not?
All right, I'll take one too. I get long if we start making new highs.
All right.
In the NASDAQ?
Yeah, in NQ.
Oh, Jesus. You're really, wow.
Well, we'll see. Got a resting order.
I mean, it's got I don't know if I'll be.
There we go.
I won't be surprised if we make new highs in the ES, but we still got long. We don't really. We only have 10 points. It's not that far.
Here we go. Oh, come on. There it is.
25.
There it is.
25,700. Nasdaq.
It's still gonna move. It's still gonna move. But Paul may be right. Outer edge
quick.
here. All right, where's the auctioneer? He's gonna. I feel him. His presence coming back.
7640.
Not yet. Numbers
98.
small. 56, 58, 60.
Oh, huge absorption. They're coming in here. What? Oh, if they get up there a little bit more, then it's.
I love it. I love it.
It's good.
Sam does it.
Play by play.
Well, though. Sam does it well.
The color
watching
commentary.
It's
sport,
a curse. It's a curse, not a gift. It's just he.
It's
not. It's just not one of those. It's like, oh, it's a talent. It's a gift. No, it's a curse. We're cursed by it.
Here we go. Come on, let's drop it down. We've got 60 contracts, 51. Back down to 80, 90. Oh, there we go. 170 came in, dropped down to 129, 150. That's it. Dropping a bit more. Let's go a few more points. I want to get myself to 3K. We can switch over to my screen real quick because I think I'm about to get TP'd. Come on, 170 contracts still in, getting absorbed. Massive absorption.
Could you imagine listening to this crap for 5 hours?
Here we go. Here we go. And I got TP'd before you could see it. There you go. But I hit 3K, so I'm happy.
Good stuff. Nice fade.
Big sellers coming in.
Fade.
Big sellers.
It just keeps going down.
I got stopped up.
Could have held that bastard, but never mind.
Damn, sellers.
I know, but I think it may rip up. It may rip up because we're still 5 minutes from the close, and there's a lot of.
Oh shit! I'm not sharing. That's why.
A lot of contracts.
Every time
This guy.
This guy.
This
guy right here. This guy right here. This guy.
There it is. The one. But yeah, from here to here, very nice.
Sammy Selenius.
From here to here.
Sammy's
reason being, lots of buyers trapped up here. We started trading below them. They weren't making any movement. Just expected a bit of a squeeze down, and that was it. That was it.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. What is going on?
Tony. Welcome back to our world.
No, it's good. It's great. I've missed it, honestly. I got nothing. I got no energy today. You said this week has been a drag.
It wears you out, dude. This wears you out doing this, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Once I get a haircut, fresh enough.
Yeah. Get the little boys regular.
Look good, look sexy. Tomorrow. Absolutely.
I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, actually.
There you go.
Just reshaping it, making it a bit better.
Yep.
Ready for the holiday.
I was gonna say, did you just get a haircut, dude?
You just got a haircut.
I thought I'll, just get it touched up again just before the holiday.
Yeah.
I look my best, man.
Yeah. I get it.
I look good in front of the camel.
Keep yourself healthy.
Exactly. You gotta look good.
You gotta go to the nail salon as well? You got a pedi? Mani-pedi?
I'm gonna get my nails done.
Good.
French tips.
Perfect. That's what she said.
Breast enlargement, all that stuff. BBL, Brazilian butt lift.
Perfect.
Oh man, I think Sam really wants to be a woman.
Tony knows.
That's okay. That's okay. Right?
He gets it.
I don't ask.
Tony's into that shit.
Oh, okay. So speaking of Egypt, it's a KFC Pizza Hut combo that is right outside the pyramids, where you can sit on the rooftop of the KFC and Pizza Hut combo place that is right, literally like the perfect view of the pyramids. I'm
going to a complete different part, so I won't be seeing the pyramids, I don't think. Unless I take a separate flight over, but
dude, you're gonna be there for 2 weeks. You got to go see the pyramids. You got to.
Yeah,
have you ever been? You've never been there before, right?
No,
you've never been there.
Never.
I haven't either. But if I go to Egypt, I'm going to see all that crap, dude. I'm going Sphinx, everything.
Sphinx.
I don't know if it's. I mean, yeah, it's just a big triangle.
I want to see some Mao crocodiles eat somebody. You know, I want to see.
Like it's impressive, but at the same time, it's like.
I guess it would be a similar thing to saying like go to the Grand Canyon and be like, it's just a big hole in the ground, isn't it?
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
it really is.
Yeah,
it's kind of funny actually when you think about it like that. Kind of just a big triangle.
The Eiffel Tower is really just a big electrical pylon thing, isn't it? I mean. You got a million of them.
Tony's just seen everything. He was in Vegas. He was in Egypt. He was in Paris.
Yep.
He's been everywhere. He's seen everything. You know.
Heck yeah.
He got it all. He got it all without having to go far. You know.
Yeah. I know. Paris.
We got 40 seconds left
went
here.
to Italy. Got all those. Yeah.
All different types.
You got a job as a Elvis impersonator for a few days.
You would be good at that, Sam. I mean, you got the hair.
Oh, he would be.
Don some glasses, right?
He would.
I don't have the flexibility in my hips. Sadly.
Got it.
That can be learned.
All right, 10 seconds.
All right. Well, that was a good click.
If you made money, then you made money. If not, catch them tomorrow.
Well, it's all green across the board today, so well done, coaches.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
All right. Well, everyone, enjoy the rest of your evening or day or morning or wherever the hell you are. And catch us tomorrow again. Same time, same place.
Yes, we will be
coaches,
back.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Adios.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. We'll take care, chat. Take care, Tiger. Take care, Tom. Take care, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See you guys.
See ya.
Take care. Everyone. Bye, Tony. Bye, Sam. Bye, Paul.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Hola Prime. Trade with transparency.